What's up, guys, and welcome back to a new stream here on my channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover, and thank you guys once again for tuning into this amazing video, guys. Today is once again a very special day because yes, guys, you've been probably already seeing this, but this is of course absolutely insane news what we are currently getting because yes, guys, it looks to be that Elon Musk betrayed us. Elon Musk betrayed us in the cryptocurrency space in general. He, of course, announced here on his Twitter page, probably you guys already know it, that Tesla is suspending currently the vehicle purchase using Bitcoin. Because he is saying, guys, he is saying that the renewable energy and that the energy costs for Bitcoin are way too high, and that he doesn't think it's a good thing here. And this is, of course, absolutely nonsense. First, I thought maybe Elon Musk is getting hacked here or something is going on here, but guys, this makes no sense in my opinion. Literally 2 months ago, he was reacting to this comment here of Jack, and he was saying, "True." And in this article, he's basically saying Bitcoin is of course using 70% renewable energy. Bitcoin is a very clean way of using very clean ways of using energy. Of course, they're using a lot of solar panels, etc. So yeah, Bitcoin is pretty green energy what it is currently, but yeah, trading on, etc. So yeah, Elon Musk was saying over here on the 22nd of April, Elon Musk was basically saying to us, yeah, Bitcoin is good, Bitcoin is good. And what is he doing right now? What is he doing right now? He's saying cryptocurrencies, of course, is a good idea and I believe in the promising future, but he is literally stepping us in the back right now, guys. He is promising all these things here. He's promising all these things to us. He's hyping it up, and you can see how much influence he has on the market because he literally dumped, because of his tweet. He was just tweeting and he dumped the price approximately 18%, guys, where we were trading on 56k here. And of course, that 16% correction was maybe over a billion US dollar correction. So that's of course an absolutely insane correction, and I don't like to see what he is currently doing here because, guys, also in the title, I'm saying, can it be maybe Dogecoin that is going to overtake it? And I mean, guys, what is currently going on here? He is saying exactly yesterday he was saying, do you want Tesla to accept Dogecoin? Literally a day ago. And we were, of course, everyone feels bullish, everyone feels excited because, yes, I mean, I always looked up to Elon Musk. I always looked up to him because I think it's a cool guy. But right now, what he's doing, I don't think it's a good thing what he's doing here. He's using the market not in the right way here. And sorry, I wasn't showing you the screen, guys. I wasn't showing you the screen even, but I just don't like what he is currently doing here. I just don't like what he's doing because you can see right now in front of your screen, yesterday he was saying, do you want Tesla to accept Dogecoin? Of course, it will be funny if it will be so. And here he's saying Tesla will be not selling any Bitcoin, of course, but it will be looking at other cryptocurrencies that use 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction cost. I mean, yeah, Dogecoin has way lower transaction costs, guys, and the reason is because Dogecoin is also way smaller than Bitcoin. So of course, if it's going to grow to the size of Bitcoin, it will be, of course, having the same issue. So for me, it doesn't make a lot of sense. But of course, because he was putting out this poll about do you want Tesla to accept Dogecoin, and right now, a day after he says Tesla and Bitcoin, what is going on currently? Does this mean that he's going to use Dogecoin for Tesla? We don't know, of course, exactly. But this is, of course, a thing that we can be speculating right now because, I mean, this is of course not a good thing to see here, and I mean, I don't like to see this. And of course, guys, in the end of the day, we don't need Elon Musk to continue the bull run. People are maybe saying right now this is the end of crypto. Guys, you have to know, if Elon Musk was not even here, we would have also have been on the 50k here because he joined on the 30k. He was also a late joiner of crypto, right? But of course, it's very nice to have Elon backing crypto as well here, but currently he is absolutely fooling us. And of course, in the chart, of course, we can see also the Bitcoin price is falling. But this is really a reason to panic sell right now because, yes, guys, I've been also making stories about it. Of course, a lot of people are right now in fear. And you can see as well, Elon Musk, I think he will be getting real problems because he's really driving FUD into the market right now. He is really having so much influence. And of course, what is currently ongoing is that all the weekends currently, they are freaking out here, and that's the reason also why the fear is is kicking in here right now. We are sitting 31 in the index, and of course you guys know here, and this is a thing that I like to say here, because yes, I should definitely say buy the dip here, and the reason why here is, of course, the fear is extremely high here. The FUD is extremely high. People are panicking right now. People are thinking this is the end of the bull run, but of course, I will be right away saying this to you guys. This is, of course, definitely not the end of the bull run. We are, of course, just once again reevaluating, but in the end of the day, it's not a good thing here because it's, yeah, of course, it's a setback for Bitcoin. But I mean, in the end of the day, we don't exactly need Elon to succeed here. And I mean, yeah, like I told you before, I really liked Elon. I was really a guy that was looking up to him. But right now, it feels like he is stepping us in the back because, yes, guys, he is stepping the whole cryptocurrency community in the back. And probably everyone in the crypto space loved Elon, and probably a lot of people still love Elon. But I mean, this doesn't feel right for me. And I mean, he also has not tweeted about it yet here, but yeah, let's see what he's going to do, because a lot of people, of course, also Michael Saylor saying here, ironic because the incremental energy is used in a Bitcoin transaction. The energy is used to secure the crypto asset network, and the net impact on fossil fuels consumption over the time will be negative. And I mean, guys, I mean, I'm not a hater of Tesla or so, but you want to be also thinking, how much energy does it cost to just drive a Tesla and create a Tesla, create this battery, etc. It is so it's so ironic. It's so ironic, and I just don't like it here. And as well over here, Pump saying, Elon, you realize that 75% of the miners use renewable energy, right? And Elon Musk was literally reacting to a tweet from someone that was talking, Jack here, he was saying over here in this article, you can be opening it up as well, and he was saying over there, Bitcoin uses currently 70% renewable energy, and Elon Musk was reacting on that on the 22nd of April, true. So he was aware of the situation, and right now he's doing this. It seems like he has to do it from someone or so. I mean, I can't believe that Elon Musk is saying this. I mean, yeah, maybe he has to do it in terms of the company to save the name of the company or something else. I don't know exactly, because yeah, probably the government doesn't like it, and the government is of course giving a lot of money to Tesla, and maybe there are some rules attached to it, and I don't think that Elon Musk is really standing behind it himself. But of course, we will be probably never know this, but yeah, of course, it feels really like we are getting that we are getting stepped in the back currently by Elon Musk. But guys, let me also really talk a little bit about charts here, because yes, we've been seeing this insane decrease, but what do we have to do right now? We want to be reevaluated. We want to be looking at the next opportunity here. And I see also the bakery right away donating to channel. You're saying, hi Dan, I see the tweet is not typed tweeted, but it's a document. Maybe someone broke in his Twitter. Hope so. I mean, of course, this is a document. But I mean, I don't really think if someone broke into his Twitter account, it was already deleted. So I don't believe that it is I don't believe that it is something what is currently ongoing. And if he really got hacked here, guys, the bounce will be insane. But I don't believe that he got hacked here over here. I mean, of course, this is a document. This is a screenshot. This is a screenshot. But I don't believe that's true, man. I think it is, of course, really a thing that's just this is just real here. And of course, if it was, let's say he was hacked or so, it was already removed. I know for sure. And of course, he already tweeted about it, because yes, it's already 9 hours ago, guys. I don't believe it's that he got hacked here. It's of course a thing that he just told him himself. So I don't believe it. So let's see what it's going to do here. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in already. Let's discuss the market as well here, because yes, we want to be reevaluating a little bit here. And guys, yeah, already having 600 of you guys tuning into the stream. Would be amazing if you're right now smashing up that like button, guys. 8 minutes into the stream, already 61 likes here. Would be amazing if we can be reaching the maybe let's say 800 likes or so on the stream. But guys, what are we seeing on Bitcoin? Which levels do we want to be looking at for now? Because yes, let's keep it in our back of our mind here. But of course, I just don't like what Elon Musk is currently doing here. But of course, I will be discussing the market further on. And I mean, Bitcoin has been decreasing, but of course, like I told you before, once there's always a lot of FUD in the market, once there's a lot of fear in the market, as you can see over here, you definitely want to be getting exposed, because that is always providing you a good buying opportunity. So as long as a lot of people are selling, I should be buying. I mean, once the retailers are selling, I should be buying. And I do know for sure as well. I mean, Michael Saylor is saying it as well here. I mean, they will be not standing, guys. It's of course a little bit of a setback, but at the end of the day, we don't need it exactly to succeed. Because yes, guys, we all believe here in the cryptocurrency space here. And do we really need Tesla to succeed? Of course not. But of course, it's a good partner to have on our side. And they are also saying, guys, they're not completely letting down Bitcoin, because they're also still saying here, Tesla will be not selling any Bitcoin, and we intended to use it for transactions once the mining transitions should be more sustainable energy. So I mean, they're still holding it, but they're just not going to use it because the transactions are too high. But I mean, you also have to make, if you're not going to pay with Bitcoin, you're of course going to pay in just regular regular euros, and it's also costing energy, etc. And of course, it also costs people to work. So I mean, it doesn't make any sense for me. But still, of course, it's his decision. It's the decision of the company, and I will be not doing anything about it. So We'll be going into Dogecoin in a second, guys. Because yes, I mean the reason why I was also putting Dogecoin in the title here is because yeah, he was putting out this poll exactly yesterday, and of course he put this out yesterday, and then a day after he talks about that he's looking for a different currency to replace Bitcoin because the transactions will be cheaper. So let's see what it will be doing. It will be Dogecoin, will be Ethereum, will be a different coin. We never know. And of course, this is a lot of coincidence that he's also talking about Dogecoin. So let me go first in the Bitcoin price before going exactly into Dogecoin as well here. Because yes, I definitely think it's important to discuss here, and also important to discuss the price action as well. And I see a lot of people also giving me other requests, but I will definitely go into everything here. Cardano still holding on strong here, I know. Definitely a thing that I want to be looking at. But Bitcoin may be still forming this upper slope support line. But guys, as you can see here, yesterday we were looking at the rising wedge. So we're forming yeah, it's still over here, but we already reached the price target here. The price target was sitting around 48.2k here. Already reached that price target since seeing the breakdown, of course, on daily candles. So yeah, that's pretty unfortunate. Of course, we could have also seen the breakout on the 4-hourly, but yeah, it was coming together with the Elon Musk dump here. I mean, it looks to be we were already dropping off, and then the news came out here. It looks to be that some people already knew what was going to come here. So I don't know exactly what if people really benefited from this. Let me know if you benefited from this drop off. And I mean, there are still some issues. I don't know what's currently ongoing with the stream here, but guys, I don't know what's going on with my connection. I don't know what's going on with my connection. This is absolutely terrible. My connection is currently absolutely terrible. I don't know what's going on right now. So hopefully this will be fixed anytime soon here. But my connection is currently absolutely terrible. I don't know what is going on here with the internet. Hopefully, it should still be okay. I see my stream is absolutely lagging right now, guys. I don't know what's going on. I see. Hopefully, it's still working. Let me know in the chat here. Let me know in the chat, guys. I don't know what's going on right now. I don't know what's going on here. Everyone's saying loading. I mean, I have literally 0 kbs. The stream is absolutely lagging right now. Big lags. Yeah, guys, I'm having big lags, but should be working again. Should be working again. Let me know if it's working. It's Elon. Yeah, probably Elon is striking me down right now. So I mean, yeah, guys, please don't be caught up here in the dump over here. You don't want to be in the middle of the dump here. And hopefully, it should be working once again here. It should be working once again. Everything should be up and running once again. So sorry for this minor lag spike here, but I mean. Yeah, it's maybe the government or so. They're trying to stop us because I'm talking negative about Elon right now because I don't like what he's currently doing, of course. But yeah, of course, it's very important. We already reached the price target over here. So yeah, we can be definitely looking for higher price. Of course, the Binance chart a little bit glitching over here. Besides that, guys, we can be looking for some horizontal levels. First of all, if you look to the horizontal level over here in this chart, everyone's saying lagging. It's okay right now. It's okay right now. Yeah, I see it. It should be okay right now once again. So I don't know what's currently ongoing with the hotel here. They're fooling me up as well here, but you can see we're still, of course, we still have this trend line to the upside. Of course, I don't like to see this drop off coming in here, but we are getting supported by the 49.0k here. We're currently once again trying to break through the 51.2k, but like I told you before, there can be a very significant move to the upside getting created because yes, I was also telling you guys previously on my Instagram. I was also talking previously on my Instagram about that there is a lot of whale accumulation currently ongoing, and I mean probably there is a lot of weekends that are still currently selling. And I mean, if you're a strong hand, you should be buying because guys, I should still be saying, I mean, this is definitely not the end of the bull run. We're definitely, of course, at once again reaccumulation phases. I mean, there's a lot of fear in the market. Should be definitely saying you should be buying the dip here, not be selling it, because in the end of the day, yes, we are going to set a new all-time high. In the end of the day, we're definitely going to set a new all-time high and we're not going to go lower. I mean, yes, there's a possibility that we're even going to go lower and maybe reevaluate a little bit more here. And you can still see here, we were talking about this one, about a specific video on Bitcoin, guys. You can see we are still definitely in a downtrend on the RSI. Of course, the RSI on the daily candle is still pushing the price lower. So yeah, we are still in a downtrend. So what we can be doing here, we can be seeing another lower low getting created on the daily candles, or we can be seeing a higher low getting created, and of course a reversal signal getting started. Of course, maybe also a big W on the daily would be, of course, very amazing if we can be creating this big W. The possibilities of creating a W on the daily is very high, and of course, after seeing the W breaking out here, guys, we can be looking for insane high prices, of course, for Bitcoin. But I mean, still will be saying this. I rather think that we're going to see a new all-time high getting created and go below the 40k in this coming month. And of course, guys, I was not expecting this drop-off. I was really not anticipating it. But I mean, if you anticipated this, I mean, you're of course a true legend. But I mean, it's very hard to see to saw this drop coming because it was purely driven by Elon. So, very hard to give my exact opinion about that. And I mean, also, what you can see right now is that Ethereum is correcting right now, and of course, I think that's pretty shocking right now that Ethereum. Yeah, of course, Ethereum is likely that Ethereum is also correcting. But guys, what you can see in general in the space here, you can see Bitcoin is decreasing 10% here, but the alts are holding up better. Altcoins are doing better right now than Bitcoin, and that is the reason why you can see the Bitcoin dominance still falling even further, and that's of course very exciting. Currently sitting on 42%, guys. I mean, I say it's very exciting, but also 42% already in the Bitcoin dominance. It's quite low here. It's quite low already, and of course, look how oversold it is. And yeah, I do expect that we're probably going to bounce anytime soon here. But yeah, I mean, if you were holding, guys, if you were holding Ethereum, and you should have been having more Bitcoins in general, because my portfolio, if I look to my portfolio, yes, my dollar valuation was dropping, but of course my because I'm holding a lot of altcoins, my dollar valuation was dropping. But in general, I see there's so many lag here. I don't know what's going on here, guys. But yeah, my dollar valuation was dropping here, but my Bitcoin valuation was still increasing. So that was of course a very exciting thing that we were seeing, of course. And yeah, you can see a thing that I currently would be saying here to you guys is, yes, this is very conservative. You want to be very conservative currently as well with Ethereum, because yes, I do rather think that Bitcoin will be still taking some territory back here. But you can see once again, because of significant drop off, we are definitely going to create bearish divergence once we are going to go higher. So I mean, this is of course quite shocking to see this big decreasement in price here, and people are all saying the stream is laggy. I know, guys, the stream is extremely laggy. I don't know why it is currently doing so, because yesterday, all the days before, it was always working here, and that's of course pretty weird that it is currently glitching so hard here. But yeah, Ethereum is still will be saying, yes, guys, if we're going to increase in valuation here, we still want to be extremely careful right now with Ethereum, because yes, it will be also creating a lot of divergence currently. And I mean, if you flip onto the MACD as well here, you can see, yeah, we are starting definitely in downtrend currently on the 4-hourly. If we are talking about Ethereum, of course, you can see here lower highs getting formed here, lower lows as well getting formed. So yeah, we are currently starting a downtrend on the 4-hourly candles for Ethereum. Of course, the daily is still looking in an uptrend, but yeah, I mean, it's very conservative to see and to say what is exactly going to happen right now. Yeah, we are probably still getting supported by the 2.618 here. This can be still providing a move to the upside, of course. But I do want to be very careful right now in general in the space. I do think, I mean, yes, I do think that Bitcoin will be bouncing, but it will be not exactly out of the books to say this is the that this is the low that we created. There is still always a possibility that we're maybe going to see another leg down getting created. But guys, you have to know here. I mean, I've been reevaluating myself. I've been looking to the charts, and of course, this is first of all a very important level to look at. And if you also enable the VPVR, guys, this is of course a very important thing to see and of course to look at as well here. You can see it was very important to hold on to the 47k here, because guys, as you can see over here, if we were dropping below the 47k, there was basically no volume traded at all around the level between the 35k and the 47k. So it could have been a free fall towards the 36k here. So it was of course very scary to see this. I mean, I would have loved to go back to the 36k here, because then we would have got extreme good buying opportunities. But yeah, in general, it's very exciting what we are seeing currently. And I definitely already thought this is, of course, a major level of support. But yeah, if you're really going to close the daily candles, and this is, of course, for the future, for things that we can be anticipating. I mean, I don't expect it. I don't expect that we're going to close below the 45k here, the daily candles, 47k. But guys, if we're going to close the daily candles below that level, we can be definitely looking for way lower lows here. We can be looking for way lower prices, and that is also the reason why you should be looking to these charts, yeah, very often, and of course build a very good strategy on it as well here. But yeah, let me also flip onto the MACD real quickly on Bitcoin, and because yes, guys, I definitely think that we are still shifting on the MACD here. Of course, we are right now, yeah, forming a new low here. But will this be a higher low? I definitely think we will be creating a higher low. And of course, if we're right now creating a higher low, first of all, we're creating a higher high over here, and we can be also creating a higher low on the daily MACD. And of course, guys, this is definitely a reversal signal that we are getting then on the MACD here. Like I told you before as well here, we can be also seeing a reversal signal right now on the RSI indicator. So, I mean, if we're really going to see a reversal on the MACD here, if we're going to really set this higher low structure, I mean, this will be definitely very beneficial for the price action of Bitcoin. And of course, this can be really providing the uptrend on the daily candles as well. And for me, guys, that will be, of course, very important, because if we are going to see a new uptrend getting started, This will be, of course, very exciting. And guys, by the way, here, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so right now. It will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing it. And of course, guys, if you haven't already smashed up that like button, make sure to do it as well here. Currently having 138 likes here, guys. It will be absolutely insane if you're right now smashing it up. Can we smash up the 200 likes? That will be, of course, absolutely insane here. And I see the chat is absolutely going nuts here, so we'll be going into the super chat as well. Premium messed up. We'll be going into Nano in a second. But guys, yeah, if you want to be smashing up the like button, it will be, of course, very amazing. 139 likes here. Will be amazing if we can smash it up to let's say 200. I think 200 is definitely doable. I mean, we are only needing, I mean, if I look to it right now, it's probably even more here, guys. But yeah, we need only another 60 likes, guys. I think we can be definitely doing this. I think we can definitely do this if we work together. Will be amazing if we can be smashing it up right now. But in general, for Bitcoin, I just want to be raising the awareness that you want to be careful. And of course, I do expect that this is the lowest part of Bitcoin currently that we're trading on. But yeah, definitely, it's not out of the books that we're going to see another lower low getting created. Of course, that's just the thing that I want to be, of course, raising the awareness for. And I mean, also what you can see currently, bullish crossover, golden cross was playing out here. Right now having once again a bearish crossover. This can be definitely pushing the price once again down here. Of course, previous support will be flipping into resistance. So these indicators, of course, will be holding us back here right now in the future. So that's pretty unfortunate to see. But yeah, that is just a thing that we have to be dealing with right now here. So let me real quickly go into Cardano. After that, guys, after I go into Cardano, I will be talking a little bit about Dogecoin because, yes, guys, I mean, probably you guys all want me to talk a little bit about Dogecoin because, yes, it looks to be that there can be maybe also a possibility for very good returns. And in the end of the day, guys, I'm here for the returns. And I mean, a coin that has been recovering very quickly is Cardano, and Cardano has been recovering very quickly. So what do you see basically with Cardano? If you also look in the space over here, you can see only a decrease of 3%, where Bitcoin is, of course, going down 10%. So what are you doing with holding Cardano? Currently, if you're holding Cardano, you would have got more Bitcoin because Cardano has not been decreasing so significantly, and that is, of course, a very exciting thing here to see. And I think it's also a very beneficial thing to hold here. And I mean, this will be, of course, very exciting to see what it is going to do here. Of course, currently $1.72 here. But yeah, only the 3% decrease is really making me feel very exciting. And I mean, you can see over here as well. Yes, we look to be in a downtrend right now in the 4-hourly candles. And this can be, of course, providing us bearish divergence if we're going to go higher. But in general, this is showing as well how much strength Cardano currently has here, and it's also been increasing compared to Ethereum here in the recent hours because, yeah, Ethereum has not been climbing so quickly here. So this, of course, is a very exciting thing to see here. And of course, I will be still saying to you guys, yes, I mean, I don't feel necessarily bearish on the whole market. No, absolutely not here. I still feel bullish here. And I mean, I always say to you guys, you want to be buying once there's a lot of fear and a lot of FUD into the market. And there is currently a lot of FUD and fear. So I should be definitely saying to you guys, yeah, you can be buying some Cardano, especially if you look to the chart here. I mean, we've been talking about the chart that it is going to break out every single day here because, yes, guys, we are very close with a breakout. And of course, if the breakout occur, guys, you can be definitely looking for this insane price target towards the upside. And there is still a thing that I want to be saying as well to you guys, but I think is definitely very important to know here because, yes, guys, Cardano is still providing us insane opportunities, and there is currently ongoing a Femex $2,000 deposit bonus. There's a $2,000 deposit bonus on Femex, and of course, this deposit bonus is only here for another 12 days and 16 hours. So if you want to be signing up with Femex, you can be doing it here in the link in the description. 2,000 deposit bonus is the highest deposit bonus ever in the cryptocurrency history. So, of course, the funny part about Femex here is that it's also a spot exchange. So, of course, if you're also just spot trading and you're depositing your spot account on your spot account, you also get this bonus. So, guys, if you want to be signing up here with Femex, make sure to use the referral link in the description. You can be using the spot trade or the contract trade, whatever you want, whatever you prefer, but make sure to already make up the account because, like I told you before, it is very important to already make up your account because this is, of course, the highest bonus ever in history. And I mean, yeah, make sure to go to the description, make sure to sign up with Femex because, yes, there will be never, ever, ever a bigger deposit bonus than this. Maybe in the future there will, but for now on, I can't imagine that there will be even a bigger deposit bonus than $2,000 currently. And I mean, you can be also spot trading and you can be contract trading. So yeah, if you want to be buying some Cardano, I should definitely do it here on Femex. I mean, like I told you before, this potential breakout target will be still pushing up the price very significantly. And right now with Ethereum, of course, not showing so much strength compared to these other altcoins like Cardano, etc. I definitely think it can be, of course, so that the Cardano price action will be even, stealing the show from now on here, because usually we need these reversals to really become very strong in a certain coin here, and to really shift the momentum from maybe Ethereum towards a different altcoin. And right now, definitely Cardano is an asset, of course, that I've been talking a lot about, and I think, yeah, it's right now not a bad decision to accumulate some. And you can see as well here for Cardano, the daily previous highest daily candle close, we were trading on it, we were closing above it. Of course, after that we were retracing, of course, finding support in it, and right now we are moving higher once again. So this is of course very exciting to see here with Cardano, and I definitely think, yeah, this is very bullish in my opinion. And of course, we're only going to go higher from here. We don't have an exact price target, but of course, to really look at the price target, I should be looking at the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation. And besides that, guys, you once again also had this beautiful retest here of Cardano compared to US dollar chart here. You can see we were looking at this ascending triangle, of course, and right now having a retracement towards this horizontal level of the ascending triangle. Since touching this level, we of course bounce back to the upside. Of course, very significant bounce here, a lot of consolidation going around on this level. Right now we're definitely going to go higher, and still will be saying this, the $2 is our price target. We're definitely going to reach it. If we're not going to reach it today, it will be tomorrow. If it will be not tomorrow, it will be the day after. I mean, guys, it will be definitely anytime soon here. I'm not saying that we're going to just shoot up in a straight line to the moon here once you're breaking out. Usually it takes some time to consolidate, and of course it's on the daily candles. And the daily candles usually will be creating volatility in just a matter of a few weeks or days, not just in a matter of a few hours. So yes, guys, we're still going to reach the $2. I will be saying at least within a week here, and especially right now showing us so much strength here. And of course, it looks to be that the market already bottomed out here. It will be of course very nice if we already seen the bottom. Of course, you never know for sure. And like I told you before, you still can be anticipating another drop off, and that is the reason why you should be saying, yeah, you can be better dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin right now, rather than going all in here. But yeah, definitely Cardano will be of course seeing more momentum to the upside as well, if Bitcoin and Ethereum is going to increase even more. But also getting another donation from Diva Deep, if I say it correctly. Diva Deep donated to the channel. You're saying, hey Rover, can you please check XRP and Matic too? XRP seems ready for blast or not. So let me of course go into XRP. Let me go into XRP, because yes, guys, I've been talking about XRP almost every single day, and I mean, it's been still very, very shocking what we have been seeing here. Because yes, I've been trying to of course look for this insane breakout, of course, for the price action of XRP. And it's been very unfortunate, because the reason why we are currently seeing a breakdown here is because Bitcoin freaking out here, and of course pushing the price down of XRP. But do we really want to be looking for of course a correction from here on? Because yes, we broke to the downside. We definitely broke to the downside, and right now we're seeing a retest of this certain level of resistance. And are we going to see a correction from here on? That is the question. That is the question, and that's the reason why I should be really saying to you, if you want to be accumulating XRP. I mean, I've been still accumulating XRP. Definitely, guys, definitely I've been accumulating XRP, because I still feel very excited about it. But of course, it's mainly because of Bitcoin freaking out, pushing the XRP price lower. And that is the reason, once again here, I just don't like, and I don't like to see Bitcoin, of course, freaking out here, because it just dragged these other altcoins outside of their patterns. Because this was, of course, a beautiful pattern that we were looking at. And right now, seeing the breakdown, yes, we can be looking for lower prices maybe. That is, of course, absolutely true, because yes, we want to be staying realistic, and of course the price target sitting around 30 cents. Definitely don't think that we're going to reach it. Yeah, there's a possibility that we're going to get a correction from this point, but of course, if we can be closing the daily candle once again inside of this supportive line, guys, yeah, we can be looking for higher prices. But in general, the whole space was, of course, correcting, and that's the reason why XRP was also following. But can we be reevaluating this? Can we be redrawing this? Of course, you can be always redrawing this. But will this be showing us as well the significance that we were waiting for? I mean, I don't know exactly. So I mean, I will be letting this one stand like this for now on, because yes, you can be, of course, approaching this one a little bit different, of course, and see that we are still having these supportive touches over here. But yeah, I mean, I would have loved that we were holding on a little bit better. I definitely expect that XRP is going to follow at least Bitcoin a little bit before seeing the stop sign getting broken. Because yes, the most important level that we will be still looking at is, of course, this downward sloping resistance line for XRP. And I definitely want to be seeing this breakthrough of this resist line on the top side, because otherwise, if we can't see this breakthrough of the top side, guys, we will be definitely not looking bullish here. And I do want to be seeing this breakthrough of the top side, because otherwise we just can't reach our price target of $2.72 here. But I mean, in general, yes, guys, in general, I feel still very excited about the cryptocurrency space. And I mean, we're definitely not going to see Bitcoin going towards 30k or 20k, definitely not here. And of course, it's a temporary setback because of the Elon news here, but this is of course definitely not the end of the bull run. And as well for XRP here, guys, a lot of thought in the market here, and of course always in the previous bull runs as well. Once we're seeing this insane corrections, and of course this is not an insane correction, this is not even an insane correction, but always once we're correcting in the space here, people tend to freak out here, people tend to panic sell, people tend to go out of the market very quickly, and people tend to panic out here. And of course that is not a strategy that I should be utilizing here. I should be not selling once you're in a loss here, because guys, you know how it works in crypto. You only make a loss once you're selling. So are you going to sell right now at a loss? It is of course your decision, but in my opinion it's not a good strategy that I should be utilizing. I mean, I should be never selling my XRP at these levels. I mean, especially, I mean, I still feel very bullish about it, especially if we're talking about a little bit of the longer run here. It is also looking good with the lawsuit, guys. So I mean, I should be not see no reason to absolutely panic right now. But is it looking particularly good right now? I don't know exactly what to say about it, but of course the XRP compared to Bitcoin valuation is still looking good, and this can be of course the reason for me to still stay bullish on it. I mean, I still am bullish on it, but I mean, to give me a confirmation to feel even more bullish about it, you can see 3 touch points on the top side, also 3 touch points on the lower side here, still getting supported by this level. This is of course not looking bad at all here. XRP compared to Bitcoin still increasing today. No reason to absolutely panic over here. And of course, if we're going to see a breakout on this one, we will be definitely following as well on the US dollar valuation. So I mean, yeah, there's no reason to exactly panic sell over here for my XRP. And if you're of course over here panic selling your XRP, I don't think it's a good decision to do so. And guys, by the way, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, because guys, maybe we can reach the 41.7k today. That would be of course an amazing target if we can do so. Will be of course absolutely amazing. So Ray also donating to the channel. You're saying Ethereum Classic and try as exit strategy at the time. But first I will be going into Matic, by the way, for my different friends, Diva Deep, and of course also will be still going into Nano. We'll be still going into Nano here, but you can see over here, I've been talking about this one yesterday, and you're talking, let me see real quickly, you're talking about, could you please check Matic too? Yeah, of course, I've been yesterday talking about Matic. And I've been talking, first of all, about the $1, that it is, of course, major resistance. And the $1 was, of course, psychological resistance. And, of course, once going higher, I was also saying, guys, yeah, you want to be raising the awareness for this bearish divergence currently. But, yeah, right now going lower, the $1, of course, previous major resistance will be right now flipping into major support. So, yes, I was already anticipating this level to flip into support. And you can't say that I was not saying this yesterday as well to you guys. So yeah, Matic, of course, flipping the $1 into support, of course, very likely target to find support at. And after that, and after touching that level, guys, yeah, we search a little bit higher. And right now, of course, creating a little bit of a wick on the top side. But yeah, let's see how this will be ending. And of course, on daily, it looks very healthy. You can see previous resistance flipping into support. Definitely very exciting what you can see currently. And I do think that we can be maybe heading towards the $1.28 here. So I don't think it's necessarily a bad decision to do so, and I definitely think it will be very exciting to see where it is heading towards. Yeah, I mean, I still think the $1.28 is definitely doable for Matic, but yeah, I do want to be raising the awareness of a downtrend here on the our side. So of course, downtrend really utilizing currently, and this downtrend can be definitely pushing down the price as well in the future. But yeah, I do think, yeah, it will be still probably reaching the $1.28 here. But this is, of course, a major level of resistance. And as you can see in the past as well here, we were not reaching the $1, but we were consolidating before really seeing the target playing out here. So there can be also a possibility that we're first going to consolidate here maybe, and then see the target getting reached here. But in general, yes, I still think that there is more upside potential in it, but you do want to be raising the awareness that if we're going to fall below the $1, I mean, you should definitely go out of it, because, yeah, if we're going to close below the $1, we will be, of course, finding massive resistance on the previous support level. So, of course, that's very exciting. So, let me see. I see also donation from Ethereum Classic coming in here, guys. Donation for Ethereum Classic. I will be going into Nano in a second. Messed up. I will be going into it in a moment here. Give me a second. So Ethereum Classic, guys. Right away, we'll be saying this. Stay away from this. Stay away from this. If you're buying to this right now, you're absolutely going to go to Rex City. I don't want to be the shield guy. I mean, we've been discussing Ethereum Classic multiple times here on the channel. We've been discussing it around $1.40, $140. But right now, people think, okay, we are seeing this correction of approximately 50%. Okay, it's a right now good buying opportunity. But still, we'll be saying to you guys, no, yeah, you should be not buying this right now, in my opinion. Of course, I don't give any financial advice here, but if you're buying into Ethereum Classic, I don't think it's a good decision to do so, and I think yeah, it's really not a good asset exactly. And of course, you can see the symmetrical triangle getting formed here. I mean, let's look at the price target of this possibility for the symmetrical triangle where it is heading towards. We are not even reached our price target, so yeah, we're definitely going to go a little bit lower here. And I've been also calling this one that you want to be extremely careful once it is so overextended in a parabolic run-up. But yeah, guys, we not even reached our price target yet here, so definitely should be extremely careful with this one. I don't think this is a good recommendation to buy into. Of course, I don't like this project already, and I told you guys that I sold mine on $140 US. Of course, that was a very good selling opportunity, and the problem here is that are getting a lot of new people into the market, and the new people, I don't want to be saying, if you're watching right now and you're new to crypto, let me know how long you have been in crypto in the chat right now, guys. Let me know in the chat how long you have been in crypto, because guys, I mean, probably the new people here, they buy into coins that they see, oh, this coin has been pumping 200% last week. Let's buy into it because I think it's going to even increase more. But of course, that is absolutely no reason to buy into it. It's only emotions why you're buying into it. And of course, that is the reason why people are buying into it, and I just don't think it's a good strategy to do so. And let me quickly know in the chat, guys, how long you have been in crypto, because of course I'm looking very forward to see what you're buying into. But of course, right now you're getting buying opportunities for very long here. And so let me see, I see 3 months, 1 month, 4 weeks. That's pretty short, my friend. 4 years, of course. Legend August 2020, 14 days, 2 months, guys, 4 years. So there are a lot of new people currently. I see also some OGs here in the space, of course, but also some guys. Someone is saying 2 days here. So yeah, you're of course just looking around the corner. And guys, 3 months probably. I see a lot of people are already here, let's say for at least longer than 3 months here in the space, that are currently watching the channel. But for all the people that are of course new into the space, don't get caught up in this FOMO. Don't get caught up in this FOMO, because you know, here I see Sherry saying 3 months here. You want to be extremely careful once you're buying into coins that are just only seeing a parabolic run-up. And if you're seeing the top side getting created on a parabolic run-up, I mean, the uneducated people, the people that don't know what they're going to do, and I see also a donation from Jennifer coming in here, how you're having a good night. I mean, it's currently morning at my side, so good night for you, but good morning for me. But yeah, Ethereum Classic, just like you can see over here, parabolic run-up getting formed here. You do want to be extremely careful once buying into a parabolic run-up, and that is of course the reason why I'm trying to educate you guys, and that's also the reason why you want to be smashing up that subscriber button, and you guys seem to already do it so, but it's definitely worth to smash it up right now, guys. But of course, I should be definitely not looking to buy into this one, especially to give you my fundamental reasons as well, my technical reasons as well here. I mean, yeah, it's been right now in a pretty significant downtrend for hourly. Yeah, the daily is of course still an uptrend, but this will be reversing anytime soon here. Daily will be specifically cooling off very significantly. So, I mean, if you're willing to get another, yeah, maybe 50% decreasement from here on, I should be buying into it. But for me, I don't like to buy into it. But let me go into Nano, because that's also a donation that we are currently getting here. Let me see from, it was from, let me see from who it was. It was from Messed Up, and you're saying, I'm long in Nano BTC and Nano USD pair. So let me go into Nano. I've been looking at Nano recently. And look at this this fake out here. You were seeing, of course, the breakdown of symmetrical triangle. You see the breakdown forming, of course, and then you see this W structure getting formed here. And of course, in this W structure, you're absolutely skyrocketed to the upside. You can see got rejected by this previous supportive line into resistance, but then the next candle you search higher, and right now you search higher once again here. So very exciting what you can currently see over here, and this is very exciting. Fa is saying 4 months, so should I pass the probation? I mean, if you're already in the space for 4 months, you're doing, of course, already a good job here. And of course, if you're already if you're only for 4 months in the space and you're already not having the FOMO, I think you're doing a good job here, because I think it took a while for people to become better and better. And of course, the more familiar you're getting in the space, the more or less it hurts to see Bitcoin decreasing 10%, because guys, I mean, if you're already long in the space, you see Bitcoin, one day you see Bitcoin decreasing 10%, but the other day you see it pumping 20%. So, of course, it's just a matter of perspective. And, of course, if you're longer in the space, you just handle these things better. So, yeah, I mean, again, currently see over here, it was not forming a bullish divergence, yeah, but it was looking particularly good here. And, of course, you see right now very insane spike to the upside getting created here on Nano. Of course, breaking to the upside once again here. But let me get the Bitcoin valuation in front of me. If you look at the Bitcoin valuation, let me remove this line. You can see here, Yeah, of course, this one was pretty unfortunate here. You can see symmetrical triangle getting formed here, broke to the upside, but then ignored it, broke lower once again here. So yeah, right now what you can see, let me set up some horizontal levels here, because it looks to be, guys, that we are of course having daily resistance that we are currently trading on. So I should be raising a lot of awareness if you're currently trading the Nano compared to Bitcoin pair. This should be, for me, looking like a very good take profit area, because why I'm saying this is, first of all, you're overextended on the daily candles. Second of all, you're of course running into daily resistance, and of course daily resistance is, as you can see already for the past 2 days here, of course rejecting you. And I know the more times you're retesting this certain level, the more likely it will be that you're absolutely going to smash through this level here, of course. But I still want to be raising the awareness, and I still would be saying to you guys, you want to be extremely careful currently with holding, with trading this one. And I should be definitely saying to you, yeah, you can be maybe, yeah, accumulating. I mean, you can be maybe taking at least some profits, of course, and set your stop loss in profit, because yeah, it looks to be pretty risky, because yeah, you tend to create a big wicks on the top side, correct? So yeah, just to raise the awareness right now, man. Let's see what it's going to do here. So let me see what you guys are all saying here in the chat. So let me see what we're going to do. Shiba is 100% trash. I mean, Rex City. I mean, yeah, I mean, I was already warning you guys here about that coin. I was already warning you guys about that coin. You want to be careful with these coins. But Nano looks exciting, but definitely should be taking some profits about it right now. So let me see what the donations are. Felix are asking me, can you, or Telcoin. Let me go into Telcoin. I mean, a lot of people are requesting me about Telcoin. Guys, this is also a very significant pump coin. Ah, man, come on. I mean, I do want to be saying, yeah, I like it, because you guys all like it here in the chat. And of course, you guys want me to like this coin. I mean, yeah, maybe the fundamentals are looking good here, but I mean, should you be buying into it right now? I mean, guys, it can be maybe also forming maybe some kind of an head and shoulders here. Can be creating an head and shoulders, of course, can be pushing down the price. But you want to be knowing here, this is a very basic analysis, guys. This coin has a parabolic run up here. Right now at the top, it is correcting from a parabolic run up here. It was extremely overextended, and you could have already seen it coming. And I say it all these times, guys, and people always ignore it, but you were creating an insane bearish divergence. This bearish divergence, of course, pushing down the price. And I mean, this was once again completely like expected, because yeah, creating such a big bearish divergence, you want to be careful. And right now, definitely, yeah, there's a possibility to set a new all-time high once again here, but the bearish divergence will only be bigger. So this is an asset that you should be buying into right now, because you're maybe seeing such a big correction. You're maybe seeing a correction of, yeah, 41%, and you think, okay, I should be buying into it because it's a good buying opportunity after a 41% correction. Yes, I have to agree with you, but is this really a coin that you want to be buying into after a 41% correction? If it's, let's say, Bitcoin, yes, I should say yes. If it's a top 10 coin, I should also say yes. But with Telcoin, I don't know for sure, man. It's been correcting right now. We want to be extremely careful, because yeah, it's going to create even more bearish divergence. And this coin just reminds me of STMX. All these same coins, guys. It's all the same market structure. I will be just getting StormX in front of your screen here. It's just the same market structure. It's going to do exactly the same. It's going to correct with Telcoin. So please, I should be. I don't want you guys to lose money, right? So of course, I can't give you any financial advice, but the only thing that I can be saying to you guys is be very careful with Telcoin right now, because it's just not going to give you the most amount of returns. I see DTP Protos is saying, "Good morning. Is it time to short Tesla?" And I mean, because Elon, of course, is fooling with us. I mean, I was already tweeting or talking about it in the beginning of the stream, and I was saying, guys, I definitely want to be shorting Tesla right now, because this is, of course, a thing that we don't like. I definitely want to be pushing lower the prices right now of Tesla, because yes, I don't know exactly what the Tesla stock is currently doing. Tesla Incorporated. Yeah, it's been, of course, decreasing because they're standing up their Bitcoin. You can see it's also definitely in a downtrend currently, Tesla stock. I mean, of course, I'm not a forex trader, but I mean, yeah, you can see this already bearish. This market structure. I mean, it's just an identification of market structure. I mean, here you can see market structure is going higher for Tesla. Right now, it's looking to be in a downtrend. Of course, it can be maybe forming also a higher low, but can be giving us a reversal signal. But yeah, and of course, the RSI is very important for forex stocks here, because RSI has been an indicator already been around here since the 70s. So that's of course very exciting, but yeah, definitely want to be careful with Tesla. I mean, I should be putting in a big short order. I mean, it doesn't make any sense for me to be right now so overvalued here. And I mean, maybe it's also a little bit of a personal thing here that I don't like it anymore, because I feel it feels like that, yeah, that Elon like stepped us in the back, and that's also the reason why I put it in the title here, guys. Elon betrayed us, and it feels really like he is currently betraying us. Someone is asking about AMC, guys. Please be careful with AMC, man. Be careful with AMC. It's just a coin that they're trying to push here, but people think it's a good one. But Jennifer is still saying, how how you are having a good night? I mean, it's good morning. It's good morning for me. I just woke up here. For me, it's early in the morning, so no nights for me. No late nights for me, because guys, later today I will be doing something very exciting. If you want to be seeing what I'm going to do today, make sure to go to my Instagram channel at CryptoRoverYT, because here I'm going to post about what the things I'm going to do today. And I think it's very exciting what I'm going to do today. I'm going to go through the desert with a quad and a buggy, so it's very cool to do so. I mean, it's definitely a recommendation if you're here as well. Please stop with your AMC as AMC squeeze potential. I mean, I will be not going into forex stocks, guys. Otherwise, I mean, I'm not a forex channel. I know a lot about AMC because all my friends are into AMC and they talk about it every single day here. But they have been getting wrecked because they bought at $18 or so. I don't know if you if you know about AMC as well here. Let me know if you know it. Cardano, yeah, I mean Cardano's been performing very well. What did Elon does? What has Elon done? Elon basically announced that Tesla will be not using Bitcoin anymore as payment method. And people are saying that this is that Elon Musk got hacked here, but guys, you have to know on the side of Tesla that you can currently also not use the Bitcoins anymore. So it's not, he was not getting hacked or so. It's just a real thing here. It's a real thing. But I just don't get it. Why they don't make a statement on the site or so, but Elon Musk just tweets about it. I don't get it, by the way, because yeah, everyone thought Elon Musk was, of course, a legend here. Peter Schiff, of course, doing cool once again here. This is definitely not a cool thing because Peter Schiff is running shilling once again here. But yeah, look at this. The tweet was coming out here on 54.6k here, and of course you can see it dropped all the way here. This was not even the end of the drop here, but it dropped so quickly to the downside here. This is of course the 1 minute chart, guys. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Trading View, of course, posting this one. Yeah, absolutely insane what we were seeing. And over here, like I discussed it earlier as well over here. Oh, did someone get yelled at the government who pays you? Yeah, I mean, probably that is the thing that I also get here, guys. For the people that don't know exactly my thoughts here, I definitely think that the government has to do something with this. I think the government has to do something with this. And that is, of course, a part that I don't like about it, because I thought Elon was always here for the people. And right now, of course, because he previously said over here that he thinks that Bitcoin is good because it doesn't use a lot of yeah, it almost uses only renewable energy. And of course Elon Musk was very good. He was talking very good about Bitcoin because he knew, and he was saying, yeah, Bitcoin is using 70% renewable energy. That's good, and it's good for the world, and of course it's a good system. And now he's tweeting this, and I think this guy Preston Pish definitely has a very good argument. Maybe he's getting paid by the government or so. We never know, guys. But there's definitely something behind the story. But probably we will be never knowing this. But there's a big thing behind this. I think there will be something of he has to do something. Otherwise, his company is getting wrecked. I know for sure. I know for sure there's something going around in the background. And probably it will be coming out one day. Someday maybe it will be coming out here. And once that comes out here, guys, the price will be, of course, shooting to the upside. So should you be really selling right now? No, definitely not. But I mean, I just don't like what he's doing here. But of course, there's probably a backside of the story. He has to do it probably to save his company, because otherwise his company is getting wrecked here. And of course, if you have to choose to sell Bitcoin or save your company, of course I would just hold Bitcoin. But yeah, I mean, for him, probably his company means the world to him. So yeah, I mean, I do get partially. Because yeah, there's something playing around there, guys. It's not a thing that he wants to do out of himself here, I think. That's cool. Yeah, he's definitely cool. He's definitely cool. See, let me see what you guys are saying in the chat here right now. Let me know if you have some questions for me. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to smash up that subscribe button. I'm currently having almost 650 subscribers. It will be amazing if we can reach the 700 today. Let me see. Nomad donating to the channel. Nomad here is saying, hey Rover, can you check out DOT and KCS, man? Okay, let me go right away into DOT, my friend. So let me go into Polkadot. Is Polkadot doing something interesting? Probably it is doing something interesting. So Polkadot, of course, guys, we've been talking about this one recently quite a lot here. Of course, we were talking about it once we were seeing the breakout of the symmetrical triangle here. And I mean, Polkadot has been performing very well here as well. If you go to just CoinMarketCap, you can see Polkadot sitting over here. It's even in the plus. It's plus 1.4%, where everything is bleeding, of course. So it looks to be like ADA and Polkadot are doing very well here, and you can see as well but the reason why, of course, because yes guys, yesterday we were discussing Polkadot as well, guys, and what we were seeing with Polkadot here is that you can see this downward sloping resistance line, upper sloping support line. This was of course forming a symmetrical triangle, and since seeing the breakout, guys, we were finding support on the previous resistance. This is of course a very likely target to find some support on, and I mean, definitely very exciting what we are currently seeing here, and I do think it's very good to see, of course, this breakthrough of this symmetrical triangle. Of course, also right now this retest of this symmetrical triangle and having a perfect retest. And of course, if you are looking and wondering what is the price target rover, we can be looking for a potential price towards the $56. And of course, I definitely feel very excited about Polkadot. And maybe people are saying, why should I be buying Polkadot? Because Polkadot is not getting a sale off. I mean, you're maybe wondering, maybe you're saying, okay, I can rather buy into Dogecoin because Dogecoin is decreasing 15%, but because Polkadot is already showing us the strength right now, it will be probably having more strength in the coming days here, in my opinion, because it is already, acting very strong here. So I definitely don't think it's a bad decision to buy into it because, first of all, showing strength, but I will be also willing to raise the awareness. I do want to be seeing the daily candle close above this 39.50 cents here, because guys, if we can't close above it, you can see yesterday creating a big wick on the top side. Of course, we tend to get a lot of corrections because from this level, and of course it's a major level of resistance, and we just don't easily break through this level. So yeah, let's see how this will be, of course, acting, of course. And in general, I feel very excited about it. For me, there's absolutely no reason to panic sell my Polkadot over here. It's definitely looking good there. Of course, I'm also a big holder of it. And guys, the most important part maybe about it is maybe the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin valuation. Because yes, we were also creating a symmetrical triangle over here. Symmetrical triangle setting another 20% to the upside for Polkadot compared to Bitcoin. And I mean, this is of course very exciting because it looks to be, first of all, breaking this critical downward sloping resistance line with 3 touch points already, 4 touch points even. And also, guys, this gray box of resistance on the top side. This gray box of resistance on the top side is of course providing this major resistance level for Polkadot compared to Bitcoin. And if we can be breaking through this level, just like we did previously, once we were breaking through the level, we were seeing an increasement of approximately 40%, and it can be definitely showing some more volatility for Polkadot. So this daily candle close will be very important for Polkadot compared to Bitcoin. Hopefully, it can still show some strength here, because if we're going to create a big wick on the top side, we will be just, of course, seeing a major retracement towards the downside. But if we can be closing the daily candle close above this gray box of resistance, guys, what has been pushing us lower 1, 2, 3, 4 times already, guys, and it's of course a massive level of resistance. If we can be closing above the daily candles, and if we can close the daily candles above this gray box of resistance, guys, yes, we can be definitely looking for higher prices anytime soon here. So yeah, I feel very excited about it. For me, there's absolutely no reason to really panic sell my Polkadot right here, especially because it's currently showing so much strength compared to Bitcoin. So looking forward towards it. And let's talk also a little bit about Dogecoin, guys. Let me talk a little bit about Dogecoin for the people that are really loving it right now. People are saying, yeah, sell Dogecoin to fool Elon. I mean, still, I will be saying, of course, this was daily support over here. We unfortunately closed below it. So this, of course, very important to see, because this daily candle close can still create a wick on the top side and push lower. That's, of course, the conservative thing about it. I mean, I bought it back on 45 cents. Right now, in a minor loss here. I mean, I sold here on 70 cents approximately, bought back on 45. But right now, seeing a minor decrease, I will be still sitting on my Dogecoin. And I still think here, guys, it will be probably giving us very good returns. And I mean, you can maybe calling it speculation, but I mean, you can see over here, first he tweets about that Tesla is maybe going to accept Dogecoin, and then he's talking about that he's looking for alternative cryptocurrency that is using less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy/transaction cost. So is Dogecoin the solution? Maybe we don't know, of course, for sure, but coincidence coming together. Dogecoin, of course, of course, first he tweets about Dogecoin, then he's saying that he's looking for alternative cryptocurrency, and he loves Dogecoin. Is he really going to do it? We don't know for sure, of course. I mean, if Dogecoin is becoming as big as Bitcoin, of course, it's going to have the exact same problem. So that is, of course, pretty weird, and of course, that's making me feel still, a little bit on both sides here. I don't feel exactly convinced yet here, but of course, it's a thing that we have to keep in our mind, and of course, I will be still saying this, guys. You are also getting a very good opportunity to accumulate some Dogecoin. You really want to be ignoring technicals on Dogecoin. I can already tell you guys, but I mean, what is very important with Dogecoin here is that I mean, you can definitely buy some right now because you really want to be a little bit exposed to it. Of course, I see Dogecoin as a coin flip. Of course, it's a personal opinion. Maybe you don't like that. I see it like that. I don't think that Dogecoin is an investment. I don't think you really want to call it investment. It's more kind of a coin flip. But definitely, I want to be holding Dogecoin because I want to be part of the community. And besides that, I don't want to be missing out of the potential returns because yes, guys, the potential returns can be very high with Dogecoin. So that's of course a thing that you still want to be knowing here. And I mean, it can definitely still overtake Ethereum maybe. Guys, you never know. Of course, it's only having a 56 million market cap. And of course, the only problem here right now is that people are also selling off their Dogecoin because they don't believe Elon anymore, because it feels like everyone betrayed, that Elon betrayed them. So yeah, maybe some people are still thinking, okay, Elon is going to push it towards Dogecoin because he tweeted about it by then. So yeah, let's see what it will be doing here. But definitely very exciting days ahead of us. And I mean, guys, don't forget, because I see that we're currently watching with exactly 1,000 viewers, guys. Will be amazing if you're right now smashing up that subscribe button, guys. We're currently only 54 subscribers away before reaching the 700 target, guys. Will be amazing if we can right now smash it up, guys. Will be amazing if we're ranking smashing it up to 700. It would be of course very cool. And guys, by the way, I quickly want to be also asking to you guys, I currently can see 314 likes here, guys. 314 likes, guys. Can we be smashing it up to 400 likes? That would be of course an absolutely insane target. Only another 86 likes here, guys. I think we can do so. I think we can do so if we work together. So Federico donating to the channel. Federico, you're asking me the bullish divergence on GRT 4 hourly. So let me go into the GRT price section. But guys, in the meantime, where I'm going to GRT, make sure to get your phone, swap it, or if you're on your phone, I don't know, maybe you're on your PC, but go to the stream here and smash up that like button. It would be amazing if you're doing so right now. Of course, I use currently my phone to monitor the chat here. I know it's not the best setup here. I will be getting an iPad as well anytime soon here to just look at the chat a little bit better. But let me go into GRT here. Let me go into GRT, of course, and discuss it. But guys, will be of course very amazing if you're right now smashing up the like button. It will be very beneficial for the cryptocurrency space in general. Because yes, guys, we are still, if you're hitting that like button, YouTube, the YouTube algorithm will be seeing, the players like the content, and they will be pushing it to more people. That will be, of course, getting more people exposed to crypto. So you're saying bullish divergence on GRT on the 4 hour. So I was looking at the daily first. The daily is no bullish divergence, but yes, guys, this is of course a very good opportunity that you're currently seeing. And like I told you before as well on the channel, I mean, I tell this to you guys every single day on the channel. You want to be looking at bullish divergence to buy into drop-offs, and that's also the reason why I should be still saying, yeah, you can be still a little bit conservative with Bitcoin, because yes, there's a probability, because there is a lot of FUD currently in the market, and probably these whales are going to take advantage of the FUD that's currently ongoing. They will be maybe pushing the price another bit lower. So please wait. Of course, I will be not selling anything here because that's just purely speculation. But for traders, of course, you can be first waiting for a bullish divergence before opening a trade. So what you can currently see here with GRT, lower low getting formed here, high low on the R side, definitely bullish divergence, and thank you for your support of the nation. Of course, you're also very beneficial, Federico, for all the people that are currently watching, and that's also the reason why I should be saying to you guys, yes, GRT is currently giving us a sign of a reversal. This can be definitely pushing up the price here, because bullish divergence, especially on the 4 hourly, guys, can be giving us a reversal. Can be giving us a reversal signal, and of course can be giving us this is a reversal signal. So yeah, the momentum will be definitely shifting once again back to the upside for GRT. So I definitely feel very good and very bullish about it. So yeah, let's see where this is heading towards. But GRT is looking particularly good right now, and I definitely can't wait to see how it will be performing like. So very exciting to see here. Hopefully we can be seeing some more moves to the upside getting traded here, but definitely we're going to see some higher prices from this point that we're currently trading on. So I think, yeah, at least another 15% move. I mean, even a level, even if we're going to push towards this previous high here, we can be also seeing some kind of a W. This will be already a 14% increasement. So it is definitely reachable, and I should definitely say to you right now, it is looking very good. Why are you in Dubai, mate? I'm looking to get myself an apartment, etc. over here. Of course, once I'm getting, let's say I'm going to live here, I will be, of course, upgrading my setup. We'll be getting a real computer, etc. So that's a thing that you don't want to be worrying for. But I'm looking here, and also have some connections. Yesterday I saw the moon. Probably you guys know him as well here. Yesterday I saw him. Was pretty cool talking with him. So of course also making some new connections over here, and that's the reason why I'm here. So Sifu also donating to the channel. You're saying, can you look at gas? So we'll be definitely looking at gas. So Also here to make some new connections, make some new talks here. And I don't know, probably you guys also know Dusty BC, also a YouTuber. I've been here with him as well here in the same hotel, so it's pretty funny. So yeah, I'm basically here to orientate a little bit about, do I really want to be living here? Because yes, I'm probably looking to move, and yeah, I just want to be seeing if is this place really a place for me. And of course, it's just orientating. Is the weather doable for me? But definitely the weather is doable. I think the weather is pretty good. I just like the weather, even though it's pretty hot right now. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know what you guys think of it. So, cool. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. So yeah, what are we seeing with gas? I mean, gas. I did not knew this coin here previously. Gas, of course, sitting on P350 currently. For almost trading on $13 US, and it's been of course, way more circulating supply than the previous top here into this 18. So yeah, we're definitely, in my opinion, probably not going to reach this top here. You can see market capitalization is already sitting at the same levels over here, but sitting at way lower prices. I mean, probably more circulating supply, only 10%. So yeah, I want to be, of course, extremely careful what you want to be seeing with this coin here. I mean, currently trading on 130 million market cap. Of course, it is currently on the mainnet of Neo, so that's of course very exciting. And of course, I think, yeah, it also has the logo of Neo, so I don't exactly know what this coin is doing here, so for me it's very hard to give my exact opinion about it. Yeah, but what you can see here, it's steadily increasing, of course, in valuation, but the RSI is of course on a daily in a downtrend. So just like Bitcoin, RSI is in a downtrend. It looks to be just consolidating at the moment that we are currently trading on. And of course, this consolidation looks to be ending anytime soon here, because currently we're of course still sending a higher low, but what you want to be seeing over here is that you're definitely in a downtrend. So you're first of all sending a lower low in the MACD here, lower low on the highs, so also having a bearish crossover currently on the MACD. This can be really providing you another leg down here. So of course I want to be raising the awareness currently that you're not looking particularly well here on the MACD, and of course that we can be seeing a move to the downside getting created. So want to be extremely careful. I don't think you're currently having the best buying opportunity, in my opinion, for this coin, because yeah, it looks to be in downtrend, and especially because Bitcoin, of course, currently going down here, pushing this price with it. And of course, we are currently not seeing a reversal yet here, and I should be definitely waiting for a reversal sign to buy into it. And I mean, the 4-hourly is also setting a lower high here. So yeah, this is still very conservative. I should be with this coin. For me, it's not looking to get really a buying opportunity currently. Maybe on the 1-hourly we are seeing something significant. Also, no bullish divergence currently getting created or whatever. So yeah, you want to be extremely careful. I don't see an exact reversal currently. Yeah, you can be looking for some some price targets around this gray box that I will be drawing right now for you. Because yes, guys, this level over here has been providing you a lot of support in the past here, as you can see. So yeah, you can be definitely looking to accumulate around the $11 US, but right now it's just not providing me buying opportunity. And of course, if we're not going to hold on to this gray box, yeah, you can be definitely looking for lower prices. But yeah, the MACD is still on a downtrend. Want to be careful. No bullish divergence currently getting created. So let's see what it will be doing. Maybe another leg down here and creating a bullish divergence, and then can go higher. But for the moment, it's not necessarily giving me a buying opportunity. But then I see a lot of donation coming in here to the channel, guys. I see of course, guys, we talked about that one. Love your channel. How do you feel about ICP? Seems very innovating. Too much to list here, and has been holding up as well during this crash. I mean, MD, I've looked into ICP as well. I think, yes, it is very innovating, but I mean, it is still also a little bit skeptical, because they're not saying exactly how they are going to be having a faster network, and of course a more secure network. So yes, I mean, I do like the project. I like already layer 1 solutions, but I mean, there are also a lot of layer 1 solutions. You also have Polkadot that they're working on their main on their layer 1 solution. And I think Polkadot is of course also very exciting, but literally this one on launch day already overtook Polkadot. So yeah, I mean, yeah, I do feel very excited by ICP. I don't think it's a bad project. That's a thing for sure. Definitely think that you want to be getting exposed to it. I have not got exposed to it yet here, because I don't like to buy on launch day. But yeah, definitely I will be looking into it as well here. It was trading on $731 and we're currently on 300. So yeah, that's the reason why you want to be extremely careful here with these coins here. But definitely, I do think it's a good asset that you can be buying into. And I mean, please don't FOMO. I was just waiting a little bit here to stay on the sidelines and just see how it will be performing like as well. But yeah, I know the project is very cool, and of course it's a very innovating project as well here. And of course, there are a lot of people working currently on the project, and of course, I mean, I just like layer one solutions, like I told you before. I like people that are trying to solve the core issue here in the cryptocurrency space. And I mean, like coins like Shiba, etc., they are not solving any issues, and this coin is really trying to solve an issue. So that's of course a thing that's making me feel very excited about it. Of course, you can see the third great innovation in blockchain. So let's see how this will be unfolding. Of course, I think yes, it will be probably very exciting how it will be performing like in the future. I will be looking forward towards it, but I definitely think I want to be seeing some more development. I want to be seeing some more news rolling out as well about this coin. But of course, that is a thing that comes along the way here, along with time here. So yeah, I feel very excited about it. But let's see how this will be performing like. So guys, yeah, you are absolutely smashing it up right now. It will be amazing if you're hitting that subscribe button. So Daryl Malone also donating to the channel. You're saying thoughts on Doge, like Doge on steroids with liquidity and staking options as well. The coin is burned every time an NFT sold. IDO just past the TA limit. Limited. So let me see Doji. I don't know exactly what this coin is, guys. I don't really look into these probably meme coins. Of course I don't know. It looks to be an NFT project built on the Binance Smart Chain, and we'll be not saying it's a scam coin exactly, but I know a lot of projects built on the Binance Smart Chain are scam projects. That's the problem with the currently what is ongoing over there. So we want to be very careful. I don't know exactly what this is doing here, Doji. For me, it's very hard to say what it is doing here. Can you look at the chart? Yes, I can definitely look at the chart for you in for a second here. But for me, it's very hard to give my opinion about this coin. Probably, yeah, it's pretty new as well in the market here. You want to be extremely careful with these meme coins that are just looking around the corner. I don't think it's exactly the best coin that you should be buying into. Of course, it's probably a very low market capitalization, so yeah, it can also give you very potential high rewards. But yeah, good luck, man. Good luck. But for me, very hard to give my opinion about it. So, Felix also donating to the channel. Let me see what Felix is saying to me. It's UBX, please. UBX. Let me go into UBX for you, my friend. UBX. Let me go. So, of course, yeah, I want to be make sure to what you're requesting. $1.88 again, Elon. I mean, man. And ADA is absolutely going to blast off here. I'm a huge fan of ADA. Probably you guys already know that I'm a huge fan of ADA because I've been talking about it so many times recently. So, I mean, no, I don't feel bearish about ADA. Come on, guys. I don't feel bearish about ADA. So, definitely not. Yeah, everyone can be making a token for $400 and put it on the Binance Smart Chain. I mean, yeah, you want to be careful with coins. I mean, I'm not saying the Binance Smart Chain is bad or so, but you want to be extremely careful with these projects on the BSC. Because I know I heard from some other YouTubers as well. Of course, there are a lot of people like spam promoting these coins, but I know that the most amount of projects, the most amount of scam projects are currently getting launched on the BSC. So you want to be extremely careful. And of course, the last thing that I want to have here is that my watchers, because of me, are going to buy into scam projects. So that's the reason why I'm saying. Of course, I'm not exactly saying it's a scam project, but I'm saying please be careful with these coins that, of course, look very promising. But in the end of the day, they're probably going to get you wrecked here. So please be careful. Stop selling BTC for alts if you don't have BTC. Alts will die. I mean, alts will be probably not dying, but of course, I always say to everyone, yes, BTC is, of course, it has to be in your portfolio, and it has to be the biggest percentage in your portfolio as well here. That's at least my opinion. And of course, maybe it's not been the most profitable strategy here for the last days here, because yes, other coins has been increasing, but of course, guys, it once again comes to perspective, because in the end of the day, if you're talking about the longer term, Ethereum only doubled from its previous all-time high, and Bitcoin already 3x approximately from its previous all-time high once we were sitting on 60k, of course. So I mean, perspective is of course key here. So still, Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum. So I mean, guys, you want to be knowing the longer term here, and that's the reason. Of course, in the longer picture, Bitcoin will probably be the most profitable coin here. But UBX, man, my friends, very exciting what we are currently seeing here. We are seeing, of course, not a lot of things here. Very hard to give my opinion about these coins, man. Please provide me coins with more information, because with this amount of information, I just can't do anything, my friends. So for me, it's very hard to give my opinion about it. Probably seeing some kind of an inverse support line, but for me, I can't really give my opinion about this coin. No information is provided currently. So let me go. Let me see. Maybe Elon warned us that there will be new government sanctions. That's also a very interesting way of thinking. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely something. There will be government sanctions coming, guys. That's definitely a thing that is coming, especially because the space is growing so quickly. But of course, I mean, of course, because you have to know as well here, they say as well in their statement that they're not going to sell their Bitcoin. So yeah, they are still allowed to hold their Bitcoin. So there will be probably not shifting anything here. So let me see. Happy QQQ is saying 80% down on Wall Street bets here. Let me go into CoinGecko. I've not been looking into that one yet here. Let me go into that one. Let me go. WSB Wall Street bets coins. So of course, let me see this one. So let's see. It's not 80% down. Okay, be 80% down. So I mean, it hasn't been really decreasing. No, it's not been really decreasing so significantly. Let me get all the views. Yeah, I mean, if you bought the top, of course, you could have been pretty significantly down, but not 80%, 50%. No, not even 40% maximum. So yeah, it's been decreasing recently, but I mean, this is just a coin. Of course, I bought into it, not a lot. Just once again, sitting on a coin flip can give us potential very good returns. Can also be maybe dying. You never know. So that's the reason I'm willing to buy into these coins at very low prices, because I think, yeah, I mean, the market, the 24-hour volume is pretty high here, but I'm just buying into these coins because, yeah, I know there's a big community backing it, and of course not everyone is exposed to it yet, and it can be very big in the future. So that's the reason why I'm just sitting on such a coin. But I mean, it's not 80% down. Maybe you're looking at a different coin, but this is the one, man. Maybe you're looking at a different coin. So let's see what we'll be doing. Well, let's look at Chainlink a little bit, guys, here. Let's see what we're having with Chainlink, of course. Chainlink also faked out here because of Bitcoin. This is pretty unfortunate what we're seeing with Chainlink. Of course, we closed the daily candle below the 1.618 Fibonacci. Also closed below the daily level of support. And right now, I think we will be, of course, we're currently trading on air support, not really significant support. Of course, you can be maybe approaching it like previous support over here. That you're trading on it, but of course we're bouncing from nowhere. And of course, for me, a realistic target for accumulate more Chainlink will be definitely around the $36 US. But yeah, if you look to the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin valuation, guys, nothing really happened. It's mainly because Bitcoin, of course, decreasing. The Chainlink compared to Bitcoin valuation, nothing happening. I mean, people are maybe saying to me, we're forming some kind of a diamond pattern on the daily candles for Chainlink compared to Bitcoin. I mean, guys, I don't really like the. I mean, I've got this one in the Discord. I've got requested this one quite a lot here. But I mean, guys, I've been telling this multiple times here. Yes, you can be looking for this pattern, but is this really a significant pattern that you should be looking at? I don't like to trade down here. But yeah, if you're looking for that price target, I mean, yeah, I think yeah, you can be measuring like this. I never traded. You can be seeing, of course, the price target higher, but definitely what you can just in general say about Chainlink compared to Bitcoin is that, yeah, we are in an uptrend. We are sending higher lows, we're sending higher highs, and of course this horizontal level of support is definitely providing us a very good buying opportunity. And of course the level over here, you can see we bounce from this level, and I should definitely say, yeah, we are in an uptrend. You want to be trading with the trend. Chainlink compared to Bitcoin is in an uptrend, and you can see also the RSI is getting supported. So yeah, I do expect Chainlink to move anytime soon here once again to the upside. I am not bearish at all here for Chainlink. So definitely very exciting what we are currently seeing, and I will be definitely saying to everyone here, if you're not exposed to Chainlink, yeah, you're of course also lagging behind massively, and you're missing out at a lot of potential gains here. But guys, also a thing I want to be asking you guys real quickly here, if you haven't already, go to the channel right now, go to the channel. If you're on your phone, go to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, of course, make sure to ring that bell notification, because recently, guys, there are some things changed up here currently with crypto YouTube. They seem to be blocking a lot of things here, so we are getting way. A lot of people are not getting notifications, and people can't find my streams, etc. So, guys, what is very important to do right now is go to the channel and hit that bell notification, because then you're still not missing out about these very important updates, of course, that we are making here on the channel. And of course, I will be later today, of course, first what I'm going to do today is, of course, go out. I will be going on a quad, and of course that quad with 500 cc is of course very exciting. I'm going to drive the quad. After that, I'm going to go out for dinner, but of course later tonight, once I'm getting home again, I will be right away uploading another video for you guys. And if you want to be seeing that video, you just want to be, of course, having that notification bell, of course, enabled. Of course, it's very important to have the one enabled, because if you don't have it, you are, of course, missing out about these potential videos. So it will be, of course, very amazing if you're right now smashing up that bell notification here. I just want to be reminding you guys, and it's, of course, very important to do so. So let me know if you already did so. Will be very amazing. And the bell, guys, still will be saying this, currently having the biggest deposit bonus ever in history on Femex. So make sure to use the Femex link in the description here. $2,000 deposit bonus ever, the highest ever deposit bonus in history. Make sure to check it out here. Definitely worth to sign up here, only for 12 days here. And of course, guys, For the people that don't like leverage trading, you can still also do it with your spot trading. Of course, if you're depositing for your spot trading, you're getting this bonus for leverage trading, so you can take a free trade, right? So make sure to sign up here with the link in the description. Will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. And yeah, it will be very cool if you're signing up for my link here. Of course, you will be helping yourself to get this bonus. And of course, like I told you before, if you just spot trader, you can be using Femix as well here, because currently Femix is providing us a lot of spot trades, which you can do here. They're becoming one of the biggest as well here, and not one of the biggest yet here, but they're trying to become one of the biggest. So of course, very exciting what they're doing here. So I mean, definitely if you want to be accumulating some coins just for your spot account, you can be definitely using Femix, because yeah, the interface is very nice and it's a very nice platform to use here. So definitely recommendation that I should be doing here. Let me see. Wait, I don't know what you're talking about. So ship is also a Dogecoin. I mean, guys, what I've been saying about this stupid coin. What I've been saying with this stupid coin. Where's it sitting right now? Where's it sitting? It's sitting on P25 already. I mean, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. What was I saying to you guys? What was I saying about this coin here? Let me know in the chat what I was talking about, because I was always saying to you guys about this coin. This is nonsense if you're buying into it. This is not smart if you're going to buy into such a stupid coin here. It's a meme coin, no fundamental worth. Of course, meme coins can still pump to the upside, but you know, 63% of the total supply is owned by 3 wallet addresses. So, of course, 3 people, or maybe 1 people with 3 accounts, is owning approximately 60% of circulating supply. Can of course absolutely crush you guys so hard. Of course, there's no maximum supply as well here, so of course they can be just printing. There's no scarcity at all. So inflation is definitely in this coin as well. So you should definitely be saying to you guys, yeah, you want to be extremely careful. And I don't think it's a good choice to buy into this coin here. And of course, if you did so, yeah, of course, you know how it is right now to buy into meme coins. You want to be careful, just guys. You just want to be careful. It's just not smart to buy into these coins. People think, okay, it's cheap. It will be going to $1, but it doesn't matter. It's all about the market capitalization divided by the circulating supply, guys. It is just not a smart thing to see here. It's not a smart thing to see. And see, someone is saying here in the chat, USD Tether is pumping currently. And I mean, that is very likely to see. I mean, it's not really pumping, but guys, it is very likely to see USD Tether increasing. Probably it's not been really increasing today. But sometimes once of course the market is correcting, you see USD Tether increasing, because yeah, of course a lot of I mean, at least the market capitalization is increasing. If I go in here, and if I go to about the market capitalization, look at this. I mean, ooh, they probably minted some. They probably minted some. Oh, I mean, and this is literally no difference. It looks a lot, but it is not a lot difference. But yeah, there's always yeah, it's getting minted, of course. But I mean, probably a lot of people, of course, going into USD Tether. Of course, because the market in general is growing, you can see USD Tether is also growing and growing and growing. So of course, very exciting what we are seeing here as well. No maximum supply, of course, because they mint as well some Tether. So yeah, I mean, still mixed feelings about Tether, because it's a little bit skeptical as well. But yeah, let's see what it is going to do here. But guys, by the way, I see Crypto Aaron tuning in. Cool. It will be amazing, guys, if you're following me as well on Instagram, because today I'm going to do some very exciting things here. Going to go and write the quad, of course, so it will be amazing if you guys want to be checking my Instagram out. Of course, I saw a donation coming in. Oh, this one is, of course, we already checked the one. We already checked the one, so guys, it will be amazing if you're right now smashing up the like button. Currently, guys, we are having another 442 likes here. It will be amazing if we can smash it up for another 58 likes here to reach this insane goal of 500 likes, guys. It will be amazing. It will be amazing. Is this the bottom for Bitcoin? Of course, I will be not calling the exact bottom right now, because, guys, it's still a possibility to see another leg down getting created. Not out of the books at all. Not out of the books at all. But like what I expect, guys, to give you my exact opinion, you can be recording as well. The most likely scenario, what is currently going to play out for Bitcoin, and I will be right away saying this. Don't sell your portfolio. Don't try and time this with your holding portfolio. But for the leverage traders, for the people that are willing to trade, you can already sign up with Femix to get this $2,000 bonus. But what the strategy for me will be, at least, you can see over here, we are currently having Bitcoin, of course, trading on this level. What we can be expecting here is that Bitcoin is probably going to move a little bit more lower. I think the coming hours can be pushing the price of Bitcoin a little bit lower. And if we're going to go lower, guys, we're, of course, probably going to create a bullish divergence for Bitcoin, because I will be waiting for bullish divergence to open a trade here. I will be not opening a trade just blindfolded. I'll be only opening a long trade here if I'm seeing a bullish divergence playing out here. And the likelihood of a bullish divergence currently getting formed here on the Bitcoin chart is very likely to see. So, of course, I will be not front-running the market. I will be not saying we're going to exactly see this, but the likelihood of this scenario playing out here, because I've been saying this multiple times as well, guys. There's always the same structure plays out. The structures tend to play out a lot here. I mean, here you were seeing it as well on the exact moment you were creating a bullish divergence over here. So it tend to happen a lot here, guys, as well with the previous reversals over here. I mean, this one is with the 4 hour, or we're going to create a lower low, but you tend to see a bullish divergence before really moving up once again here. I mean, here you were seeing it as well here. Not always, guys, not always, but you can see over here, once again, you were creating, of course, a bullish divergence over here. Higher high getting created on the R side, lower high on the price chart. That is, of course, this is your, on this close, on the 4 hourly, this is your buying opportunity on this 4 hourly close. So that will be, of course, a strategy I will be utilizing. And guys, do you want to be seeing an update? Make sure to subscribe to the channel, because probably, because I told you guys, I will be trying to do a trading challenge as well. But once opening a new trade, I will be probably making a video about it to, make a dedicated video about it. But of course, I will be only opening a trade here once seeing a clear opportunity. And from now on, we're not seeing an exact clear opportunity. But of course, I will be opening a swing trade, but only on the perfect entry. So I should be waiting a little bit longer till seeing this one. But that will be very exciting, of course. We'll be only opening it on, I will be only opening this one on the 4 hourly close, of course, because if we're seeing the close, we see the bullish divergence giving us the significance, and then I can be opening it. So make sure to keep your eyes on the channel, and that is also the reason, guys, why you want to be hitting that bell notification, because then you're not missing out about any single updates, of course, that I'm going to make here. So, of course, if you're interested in that, make sure to let me know here. Happy QQQ, you were saying there are two Wall Street bets here. One WSBT on Poolcoin, and the other one is WSB on CoinGecko. I got when you said to buy this, I got the wrong one. Oh, you got the wrong one, bro. That's absolutely nuts. I did not know that there were multiple ones. Wall Street bet. Maybe you're bought this one, baby. But yeah, I mean, this is the one that I've been talking. I mean, you guys probably know it. I talked with the founder of Wall Street Bets. Absolutely insane. I don't know how I got it, but I talked with the founder of Wall Street Bets here. The video is already quite a while. I uploaded that video quite a while already ago. So I mean, Jamie Rokosinski, if I say it correctly. I think over here. Yeah, you can see it over here. Jamie Rokosinski was of course very exciting to see here. I talked with him. Of course, you can search him up on the internet, who it is, etc. He's absolutely the founder of the Wall Street Bets coin. And I talked with him because there was a lot of people talking about, oh, it's a scam or so, whatever. But of course, he clarified everything up here, and it is very exciting. Of course, still should definitely say to you, maybe, yeah, you can still check it out over there. But of course, very exciting what we were seeing by then. And definitely will be still saying this. Of course, you want to be looking at which coin it is, of course. And I still will be saying, I mean, this is of course once again also a coin flip, but this is a coin flip that can be maybe giving me a 100x or so. So of course, I have a lot invested in this coin. Of course, it's a very minor bit of my portfolio, not even 1%. As you already know, I've been talking a lot about it, that I have more than 90 cryptocurrencies currently in my portfolio. So yeah, this is one of them. But this is, of course, a very minor asset in my portfolio because, yes, the risk is as well very high on it. So, want to be very careful. What do you think of the huge head and shoulders on the daily time frame in combination with the bearish divergence? So, I mean, yes, guys, we've been seeing, of course, let me see the huge time frame. So, you're maybe wondering, we're seeing a big head and shoulders currently forming. But, yeah, guys, this is, of course, maybe, oh, this is not the head and shoulders. This is, of course, a thing that you can be looking at, but like I told you before on the channel, do we really look a lot at head and shoulders on this channel? Yeah, we have been looking at, yes, we have been looking a lot at it. We've been looking at head and shoulders multiple times on the channel. But do they always play out? Do head and shoulders, especially in a bull market, does head and shoulders really tend to break out and, of course, give us an exact price target? No, I don't necessarily think that head and shoulders are the best patterns to trade, especially because they're bearish patterns and they tend to still break out to the upside because we're in a bull market. And of course, if you look at this head and shoulders, this will be a potential trade of 33.4k here. And 33.4k is, of course, an insane dump target. And of course, right away we'll be saying this to you guys. No, we're never going to go towards this target. And maybe still people are saying, maybe I say never, but at least in the coming 4 or 5 months now, because we're still in the bull market. And 34.5% correction, that will be, of course, a correction of an approximately 50% in total from the top, guys. I don't anticipate a 50% correction. I mean, 50% correction, that is a correction that we're maybe going to see in the bear market, but not right now, because like I told you before here, guys, I don't expect the Bitcoin is going to correct once again for 80% in the bear market. I definitely think it will be way less here. But I will be not anticipating this level, guys. Yes, we've been seeing a lot of consolidation. People are maybe selling because they think, oh, Bitcoin is not doing anything, I'm going out of it. And that is exactly what these big players want here. Because, yes, guys, I've been also showing you guys recently what the whale mapping is currently doing. A lot of whales are still accumulating. And as long as the big players are accumulating, I should be doing that as well here. So, Jonathan O'Brien, also donating to the channel. You're saying new project and app. Can you look at a block bank BB Bank? So let me go into BB Bank for you, my friend. Not yet here. I don't see it over here. Maybe on CoinGecko. BB Bank. Yeah, it's over here. So we'll be going into it in a second. But I mean, guys, do you really want to be trading? Do you really want to be trading this head and shoulders? Let me know what you guys think of head and shoulders. I mean, we just entered the bear market. Don't agree with you, man. I don't agree that we are in a bear market. Bitcoin heading going to 30k, guys. Yeah, you can be bearish or whatever you want here. I mean, sometimes I say over certain coins that I don't feel exactly excited about it, but we are definitely not in a bear market, and we're still in the bigger picture. And once I'm saying bigger picture on the monthly time frame, in an uptrend. We are still in an uptrend, and I will be not calling a bear market. Definitely not, because we're not in a bear market. So only will be saying that we are in a bear market if we are really in one. And of course, I will be not fooling you guys. And definitely, probably once Bitcoin is going to top out, no one knows when we are going to top out. But right now, definitely not the top. But yeah, people are saying Bitcoin is topping out here. But guys, what you can see over here, I've been discussing this as well in a recent video. And of course, by then, once I was uploading the video, only got 3k views. But that was because because crypto YouTube was getting blocked the whole time here. So that's the reason why you want to be hitting up the notification bell on the channel. Like I told you at the beginning of the stream, I really want to be reminding you guys, make sure to smash up the notification bell, because then you guys always stay up to date about these updates. Because yes, it was a very important update. It was what I was telling to you guys as well here. I was telling in that video that we of course once again trading against the resistance on the RSI, and it was of course exactly on the top over here. And I was saying, okay guys, we right now really have to choose a direction, or we're going to get a correction, or we're going to go and of course break that level and go higher. And of course we got the correction. And there are two things that can be playing out right now. So I was talking about a possibility for Bitcoin to create a bullish divergence. And that will be, of course, my entry price for a trade for Bitcoin. And of course, that will be really giving me this reversal signal. And maybe we can create some kind of an W structure, right? So a reversal structure, because yes, we're standing in higher low on the daily candles probably. But yeah, also a thing what we can be seeing right now is because, let me make this a little bit bigger, because yes, the RSI is very important. Maybe people don't take it very seriously, but yes, the RSI is very important because it is going to give us reversal signals. And what it can be giving is right now, of course, we are definitely in a downtrend, and previously we were definitely in an uptrend. So also, thing what I always say here is that you want to be breaking. Let me set this up here. Let me coordinate this. Let me set this up to 50, exactly 50. Let me make this a different color. Let me make it red, or let me make it red. Let me make it a little bit thicker, and let me lock this one. So always, guys, once we were trading below the 50 on the RSI on the daily candles, we're in a downtrend. Once we're trading above, we're in an uptrend. So currently, yes, we are definitely in a downtrend. So as well, we are identifying the downtrend on the momentum indicator, and the RSI is a very important indicator. But what we can be seeing here is, of course, here we are also setting lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. But what we can be doing here is, of course, setting a high low as well on the daily RSI. And they can be also giving us a reversal signal. So, of course, for me, in order to flip bullish, and we will be, of course, keeping our eyes out on this altogether, guys, is to see this breakthrough on the RSI daily candles as well here, because yes, we are definitely in a downtrend, and you can be identifying the structure. But if people are saying maybe, oh, once Bitcoin is overextended, you want to be selling. But I mean, I right now really want to be seeing Bitcoin going overextend on the daily, because then you can be identifying a new trend to the upside. So at least take out this high over here, at least see some more momentum coming in towards Bitcoin on the daily candles, because that will be very important. At least we will be invalidating bearish divergence. We will be showing that the buyers are really taking are stronger in the market, because yeah, currently it are really the sellers that are stronger. But guys, this is very healthy. People are maybe saying to us, this is not good. This is not good for the market. This is looking bearish, but this is very healthy to see a cool period getting started, especially once we were seeing such an insane rally, guys. People are saying this is bad, but we are just consolidating, and we're not even going parabolic yet here, because if you think this is parabolic, you don't know what parabolic is here, guys. You don't know what parabolic is, because we're just getting started. We're definitely going to see a parabolic run up here. In the end of the bull run, guys, we're going to go parabolic, but we are not at the parabolic stage yet here. And that's the thing that I want to be saying to you guys. And a lot of people are saying we are over, we are done, but definitely not, guys. We're definitely not done yet here. So yeah, again, of course, if we are, at the moment, I'm saying that we are not done, but if we are going to form such a structure, let's say we're going to form, let me get this correctly, the screen. Guys, I'm currently saying that's not over yet, but of course my thoughts can be always shifting here. As long as as long as we're going to stay like this, I will be bullish. But of course, if the chart is going to shift here, if we're going to see something different playing out, if we're going to see this playing out here, if we're going to see an descending triangle playing out, yeah, maybe I can calling the end of the bull market. But right now, definitely not here. Definitely not here. We're looking good here. But of course, if we're going to form a descending triangle structure, of course, exactly the same structure like 2018. This will be, of course, very bearish, but right now I will be not front-running the market. I will be still looking for higher prices because, yeah, what I can currently also anticipate here is maybe, yeah, some kind of a W structure here. But yeah, guys, of course, the thing that I want to be keeping my eyes out on, and also that is the reason why we will be discussing the charts every single day. Because, yes, guys, of course, my thoughts can be shifting every single day here as well. But currently, I don't see a reason to really panic here. I don't see a reason to really panic over here, guys. So, let's see here. Doge is dead. It stinks because of stupid Elon. I mean, guys, Doge is not dead here. People think the problem here is that probably, I mean, I will be not saying that you want to be buying, that you always want to be buying Doge, but I mean, yeah, being exposed to Dogecoin is not a bad job here, in my opinion. And at least right now, you're getting a good opportunity. And second of all, I mean, Elon will be definitely pumping more Dogecoin even more to the upside. He's not done yet here. And he's also going to launch a rocket in 2021 here. I mean, I bought also Dogecoin just for the long term here. I mean, the cryptocurrency space is so small here. Dogecoin is also small. I think it will be having a lot of potential. So for the long term here. And see also the CBC tuning in here. Don't we think Elon is just trolling us? This guy must have known it all. I mean, yeah, guys, maybe Elon Musk is, of course, maybe trolling us, and of course, even the problem here is that he is really fooling with us, because here first he talks about Dogecoin is going to that Tesla is going to accept Dogecoin. And after that, he says that he's looking for a new currency to replace Bitcoin because the transaction fees and electricity costs are way too high. So, of course, very interesting what we are seeing here. And let's see what we'll be doing here. Of course, we're speculating at this point here because, yes, I mean, Elon Musk is really trolling us because over here he says that, of course, over here in this article, Jack is saying that Bitcoin has is currently using more than 70% of renewable energy to mine Bitcoin. And Elon Musk says that's true. So he knows, Elon Musk knows more than what he's currently doing here. And that's also my reason to say here, guys, I think there is something behind this. I think the government is maybe pushing Elon Musk to say this because the government is probably he's trying to stop Bitcoin. And maybe he has to do this to save his company, to save Tesla. So I think there's way more going around in the background. So please don't be the one who's currently panic selling your Bitcoin. Like I told you before, don't be the one who's going to stand on the Wreck City. You don't want to be going to Wreck City right now, and I think it's definitely not the place that you want to be standing on. And guys, please, it is just it's not a good decision to sell your Bitcoin right now. And guys, by the way, still will be saying this here: $2,000 US deposit bonus for Femex. I mean, if you want to be spot trading, leverage trading, whatever you want here, make sure to sign in with Femex. Make sure to do it right now because yes, guys, only for another 12 days here. So we'll be trying to remind you guys every single day here because, I mean, this is the biggest deposit bonus ever in history in crypto. So make sure to utilize the link in the description here. It's not on number 2 of my my favorite leverage trading exchanges. And of course, it's also a spot trade exchange. Definitely exciting. Some people are saying conspiracy rover. I mean, guys, I'm not a conspiracy thinker, but I mean, I definitely think there's something more going around here because literally a month ago, Elon Musk says Bitcoin is good because it is using 70% of renewable energy. And then exactly 20 or 30 days later, he makes a statement about Bitcoin is having way too much energy cost here and it's not good. It doesn't make sense. I mean, it makes zero sense here. And I mean, I will be not hating on the company because if we're going to talk about environment, etc., of building the batteries, of course, we're going to we can be firing Tesla also very hard. But of course, that's the thing that we'll be not doing here. But of course, very exciting here, people. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat here. I see also General saying, please check the roadmap of Creampy. A super new good roadmap. So, I mean, I don't know exactly what this coin is doing here, Creampy. It's not here on CoinMarketCap, my friend. It is not on CoinMarketCap. Let me see, is it over here? It's also not here on CoinGecko. So for me, it's very hard to look at the coin. It's very hard to look at the coin if it's not on CoinMarketCap and not on CMC as well here, my friend. SNL was, yeah, of course, maybe something happened with SNL here, guys, because of course, since SNL, everything went down here as well, like we expected as well on the channel. I mean, we exactly, the point here is that as well with SNL, once it was coming out here, we were all saying here, buy the rumor, sell the news. And of course, you can see once again how significant it is, because you look at these arrows. Of course, this first arrow over here was 420. Everyone was anticipating an insane run up on 420 towards 69 cents here. But we were saying on the channel, you want to be careful, because probably all the money what people were willing to spend on Dogecoin was already here, because they are buying the hype run up here. And of course, as well with SNL, we were saying the exact same here. And of course, if you look to the 4-hourly candles, the market structure of SNL day and 420 day was also exactly the same here. You can see the market structure over here. You see an insane parabolic run up. People already standing because people know that it's probably going to dump. I mean, the smart money knows. And then we have another rally up here. You see bearish divergence getting created over here. So yeah, that was of course the top. We were anticipating a drop off. Then exactly later, he announced the SNL, of course. We were seeing an insane run up here. All the money that people were willing to spend on Dogecoin was already there, because they anticipate the Saturday Night Live show here. And of course, then you see the smart money taking some profits, go a little bit higher on SNL, of course. Bearish divergence getting created, pushes lower. So, I mean, exactly the same market structure. So, yes, we anticipated this perfectly. And I definitely think, yes, I mean, I'm also still exposed to Dogecoin. I think it's funny to be exposed to Dogecoin, but you don't want to be seeing it as a real investment. You want to be seeing it as a coin flip. You want to be careful with it. And, I mean, yes, I mean, definitely stay exposed to Dogecoin, because, yeah, maybe you can be buying a Tesla one day with it. I mean, you never know, of course. And you still, like I told you before here, we're only at very minor stages here in the cryptocurrency space, and it has way more potential to even grow higher. So, Jennifer also donated to the channel. Thank you for your $1. So, let me see what we're going to do. Let me see if I missed a donation. I don't think so. Yeah, Creepy, I can't check it, General, my friend. I can't check it, unfortunately. So, yeah, very exciting things, of course, that we're seeing here. And guys, by the way, here, if you haven't already, I see we're currently watching with 960 people. Make sure to smash up the like button. Make sure to smash up that subscribe button as well here, because, yes, guys, we are heading towards 41.7k. It would be, of course, very amazing if we can do it right now live in the stream. And besides that, guys, we are exactly 7 likes away before smashing it up to 500 likes. Can we reach the 500 likes right now? That will be, of course, very insane. So make sure to get your phone, guys. Make sure to get your phone. I will be saying this one more time, because hitting that like button is only taking a few seconds every time. And just get your phone here. Just I don't know if you're on your phone or on your laptop, but I mean, it only takes a few seconds every time, guys. It will be amazing. I mean, if everyone currently will be smashing up the like, we will be reaching 1k likes there. I think we can even do it, of course. Will be, of course, very beneficial for the stream and for the cryptocurrency space in general, because we will be pushing this content to more people, guys. You know it. So it will be very cool if you're right now smashing up the like button. I know you guys always do it, so of course, true love from me, from my side. And I see we're already reached the 500 likes, guys. Always once asking you guys smashing it up like crazy, like never before. And yeah, I see 503 likes already, guys. You are, of course, very nice. 522, good guys. You are absolutely insane. You guys are always absolutely insane. So let me look at BNB real quickly, because I see also a lot of requests for BNB coming in here. So very exciting what we currently are seeing with BNB. I think it's very important to discuss BNB as well here, because what you can currently see with BNB, of course, first we were forming the symmetrical triangle over here. We were seeing the breakout towards the upside, and since we were seeing the breakout towards the upside, of course, we were, of course, anticipating the $710, but not exactly reach the price target. But what we can see over here is that we are having a retracement and a retest of this previous support of a previous resistance line right now flipping into support. So very beautiful to see. And besides that, guys, the most important part for me, at least, is that we are also still holding on to the $596. And of course, that is a very important level for Binance Coin, because that is daily support, guys. Major daily support. Previous daily all-time high, of course, right now providing us very good support. So I mean, two things coming together here. I definitely should be saying to you guys that you can be still accumulating some BNB here. I mean, yeah, my price target, of course, after this retest, will be only seeing more volatility getting created towards the upside. I don't feel bearish at all on BNB. Yeah, we were discussing that it was not looking particularly good here compared to Bitcoin, but you can see it's still getting rejected. I extended the line a little bit here, but you can see here getting a rejection over here, getting a rejection once again here. Probably we're going to re-enter this supportive line anytime soon here. I will be also extending this resist line on the top side, because this will be probably coming together as well anytime soon. So yeah, multiple levels yeah, of support and resistance, of course, coming together. And yeah, right now we're definitely want to be smashing through this level here. Of course, it would be lovely to see it, because then we can be looking for some higher prices anytime soon here once again. So in general, I feel very excited about BNB here. No reason for me to panic sell. BNB is also still an asset that I just believe in for the long term, and I don't will be selling it for in the immediate short term. Like I told you guys, since we were sitting on $100 on the channel, because yes, BNB has been rising very quickly, just like the channel. I mean, we've been talking about BNB, and we've been talking about my long-term investments because, yes, I mean, in the end of the day, guys, yeah, you can be making some short-term flips here, but I also have some, of course, I also have some long-term picks here, like BNB, like crypto.com, and of course I think exchange coins are going to do very good in the longer term here. So that is also the reason why I bought hugely into BNB, and of course told you guys I'm going to sit on it for 10 years, because my theory behind holding BNB here is basically, okay, Bitcoin, we all agree that Bitcoin is going to be here in 10 years. So if Bitcoin is still going to be around here in 10 years, we're definitely also going to see BNB sailing around, because yes, BNB is of course the Binance coin from the Binance exchange, and Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange currently in the market. And of course, I definitely think that Binance will be the market leader for a longer period of time. And of course, an investment for long term has always risk attached to it, because yeah, you never know what's going to happen with the company. But I think the potential rewards for the risk that I'm taking currently is very good with BNB coin. And of course, the funny part about BNB, the smart part about BNB here is that they're also burning tokens monthly, and they're trying to burn more and more tokens to create more scarcity. And of course, they know what to do here. And of course, the Binance Smart Chain also being so successful, big developer team working on it. I mean, the probability that Binance coin is going to overtake Ethereum is literally here. It is literally here. So I mean, I see no reason to not be exposed to BNB. Definitely one of my long-term holds here. Some friends of me, I with some friends of me, we were buying it around the $15 US to about $20. We were talking a lot about it, and my friend, he sold everything on $300 US. He regrets it. He regrets it. I already will tell you, he really regrets it, and he bought back. Guys, that's always how it goes in crypto. He bought back around the $600 US. Of course, he's still in profit. But I mean, guys, I don't want to be selling my BNB here. I don't think it's a good sell. It's for me a long-term hold. I don't care if it's going to go to $500 right now. I mean, I just have a vision for the long run, not for the short term. That's a very important thing to know here. So, guys, literally, let me know where you guys want me to look at. Let me know what you guys want me to look at. Would be amazing if you're right now also smashing up the like button and the subscribe button, guys. You're absolutely smashing it up like always. You guys are absolutely smashing it up. Absolutely amazing. So let me see. XRP to the is a green coin. Is XRP flipping green once again? I mean, of course, we are staying very conservative currently with XRP because of the breakdown here. Of course, we are currently readjusting the chart as well. I mean, the XRP compared to Bitcoin valuation still looking very good here. You can see downward slope resistance line getting formed currently. You can see multiple touch points on the top side and also multiple touch points on the lower side. So you're having multiple supportive touches here and multiple resistance touches on the top side. So I mean, the more touches you are having in a significant pattern. Oh, guys, yeah, I see a lot of requests currently coming in here. I see also a lot of Ripple, a lot of Ethereum. Let me go into Ethereum and Litecoin. Let me go into Litecoin, Stellar Lumens, Ethereum, okay? Guys, we'll be going into that. So, I mean, XRP having a lot of touch points currently on the Bitcoin valuation. So, yeah, this is a very significant pattern. And you know, a symmetrical triangle is a continuation pattern. So, yeah, continuation patterns tend to break out the direction that they were going towards. So, yeah, we created this pattern from a move to the upside. Right now, seeing a correction. Of course, seeing the beautiful significance in this pattern playing out here. So that's my reason to say to you guys, yes, I do exactly think that we're going to see a 50% move to the upside getting created from the point that we're currently trading on. So definitely please don't spam the channel. I mean, this sorry Iron, I mean, I'm getting you into way too much work. But yeah, XRP compared to Bitcoin looking very well. Of course, XRP to US dollar chart, I mean, still holding strong with my XRP, just going to sit on it. Please, yeah, we're currently getting rejected by the $1.34 here. I mean, we're currently exactly trading on the level. So, yes, we will be discussing where it will be closing today. And, of course, I could touch it before as well here, guys. Make sure to ring that bell notification because, yes, guys, we will be uploading probably an emergency video once seeing this exact reversal for Bitcoin to open a long trade position here. So, make sure to ring the bell notification because it's very important to stay up to date of the channel, guys, because then you're not going to miss out about any videos here on the channel. And, of course, it's just worth to hit the bell notification because the updates that we're going to give, of course, we're trying to push the most amount of content for you guys to always keep you guys exactly up to date about every single thing here. So yeah, make sure to go to the channel, make sure to hit the bell notification because otherwise you're going to miss out of it. So what we're exactly, well, yeah, let me see. I promise you guys, look at Litecoin, Stellar Lumens, and Ethereum. So let me look at Ethereum right now. Let me look at Ethereum. So yeah, I mean, I've been talking about Ethereum that you I've been recently talking about Ethereum not all too well because the reason why here is because, yes, guys, you can see as well the significance currently. You can see Ethereum decreasing 9%, Cardano is decreasing 3%, and Polkadot only decreasing 0.4%. Reason why here, I have a very easy explanation here, is because once Ethereum is pumping, it will be stopping with pumping someday. It will be stop pumping someday, and currently I do think it will be very close. We're at that point, and I definitely think the profits from Ethereum will be flowing into these bigger altcoin caps like Cardano, like Chainlink, like Polkadot, layer one solutions coin. So very exciting, of course, what we are going to see, and I definitely think that is also my reason why I do think that Ethereum will be maybe showing us a little bit of less strength in the coming days here, and that coins like Cardano will be more blasting off here. But of course, guys, we're still getting supported by this upper sloping support line here, and there's still nothing necessarily bad looking for Ethereum. But the only thing that is really bad right now is because that we are in a downtrend on the RSI, and of course, this downtrend on the RSI is of course going to provide us more sell orders than buy orders, and of course, this is of course showing us the strength of the market in general. So the RSI is cooling up for the recent days here, but the prices are still going higher. What is currently resulting in a lot of bearish divergence, and of course, such a bearish divergence can even push the price lower. So yes, I do really anticipate that we're probably going to set a new all-time high, but are we really going to smash through the 5,000 US dollars anytime soon here? Not necessarily, in my opinion. So that is my reason to say here, if you want to be making more gains, if you want to be making the most amount of gains, you should be rather looking at bigger altcoin caps like Cardano, etc. Because Cardano is looking very strong in my opinion. So yeah, I do think I do think that Chainlink will be not showing the most amount of strength here. By the way, here the VPVR, guys, very important to look at. You can see we were almost falling, we were almost closing below the 3800, and of course you can see there is not a lot of volume on the traded on the current levels that we are trading on, of course. And you can see we can also easily correct very quickly with Ethereum, because if you were bumping so significantly in a very rapid pace to the upside, you can also correct very significantly. So the reason to also be very careful right now with Ethereum. So please don't be panic buying into Ethereum right now, because I just don't think that's the best decision to do so. So yeah, I should be ready to say look at different coins. Of course, I feel very excited about Ethereum on the long term, but I do think it will be stalling down for a second, because yeah, it is probably going to give us insane bearish divergences as well on the 4-hourly as well on the daily. So please be careful with that, of course. So I do think Ethereum will be cooling up a little bit more here. Of course, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin still looking good here. I still think that Ethereum can be maybe taking some out of Bitcoin, but I do think that that Cardano will be taking even more out compared to Ethereum. So the reason also to say that Cardano is going to outperform Ethereum is mainly because of this falling wedge, of course, currently getting created. And I've been talking about this every single day. Still not have seen the breakout, but guys, you know, I'm trying to say this every single day that you guys want to be accumulating Cardano, because you know what I'm trying to do on the channel. I'm trying to get you guys into projects early rather than on the top, because if you're buying the top, you're not going to make gains. If you're buying low, you are going to make the gains. So that's the reason why I'm talking a lot about Cardano, guys. Of course, this on the daily candle, so you have enough of time to anticipate this one. I've been already saying this can be maybe taking another week till seeing a breakout. But the breakout is absolutely upon us anytime soon here. So yeah, still should be saying to you guys, please don't be the one who's going to miss out about this Cardano trade. I mean, Cardano is going to give us insane returns. And I mean, for the people that are willing to spot trade Cardano, you can be using the Femex link in the description. The people that are willing to use, the people that are willing to leverage trade as well Cardano, you can be also using the Femex link in the description, because yes guys, the 2,000 US dollars deposit bonus, absolutely insane, the most insane bonus ever in history. Make sure to utilize it right now, because yes, the opportunities will be coming towards us, and I think yeah, that's just of course an opportunity that you're not willing to miss out here. Of course, there are insane opportunities currently with XRP, with Cardano as well, and of course that's the reason why we are talking about this every single day here, and I don't want you guys to miss out here. So let me talk also a little bit about the price action of Litecoin. And guys, I don't know for how long I can extend the stream here, because yes, I'm going to go with my insane quad tour anytime soon here. So it would be amazing if you're around smashing up the subscribe button, because then you're not going to miss out anything here. But you can see over here, Litecoin, we were discussing the 420, of course, previous all-time high here, that we were having some struggles to go towards that level, but we are still definitely in an uptrend. So yeah, yesterday we were seeing, I mean, today/yesterday, we were seeing, of course, Bitcoin correcting, dragging Litecoin with us as well. And what you can see over here is that we previously were creating a top over here. We were creating the top around the 307 US dollars, 308 US dollars. And the previous daily resistance, guys, the previous daily tops here of, yeah, very high, like you can see over here, the previous high always is going to provide you just very strong support in once you're going to fall. Once you're going to correct, the previous resistance will be flipping into support. And you can see it over here as well. we were finding resistance, but once really trading above it, you can see you're finding very good support on it. So definitely very exciting what you can currently see here. Definitely very exciting levels that we're currently trading on, and I should definitely say to you guys, yes, I mean, I heard a lot of people talking about Litecoin recently, and if you want to be buying Litecoin around the $400 you should definitely say and to buy it right now, because I mean, if you're willing to get exposed to Litecoin, this is definitely the time that you should be looking into it, because yeah, right now you're getting just an insane good opportunity here. Of course, $308 should be the exact level that you want to be accumulating here. It's also giving us a signal that we are going to see so, because as you can see here, low getting created here on the Litecoin compared to Ethereum chart, higher low on the RSI. This is of course giving us a bullish divergence. Can be pushing up the price as well here. Very important to see these divergences, and I will be saying this this direction here towards the upside, because yes, guys, we're definitely going to see a move to the upside and create at least and I don't think such a significant move. I mean, at least 20% compared to Ethereum, I think. So yeah, Litecoin is not looking bad compared to Ethereum, at least. Compared to Bitcoin, of course, we are looking for this insane breakout here. Let me flip it to the 3-day candles here. You can see over here, falling wedge getting created here. Falling wedge, of course, going to push up the price towards our insane price target towards the 1% of a Bitcoin. And that means, of course, at the current level, if we're going to reach it, that means that we're going to see a $500 Litecoin. So yes, Litecoin is not looking bad here. It still has a lot of potential. Just like I told you as well, the US dollar valuation currently providing us a buying opportunity. No reason for me to stay on the sidelines. Absolutely no reason for me to stay on the sidelines. I mean, I'm also still exposed to Litecoin. So let me also go into Stellar Lumens, because yes, Stellar Lumens has been going in an uptrend recently. Looks very exciting, and of course we were getting. Let me go back to the daily candles. We were of course getting rejected by the stop side. I mean, we closed above it, but then once again, I mean, we closed above this level. I think definitely if Bitcoin and Elon Musk just not freaked, if Elon Musk not freaked out Bitcoin, Stellar Lumens was definitely trading at higher levels. But that is almost for every single coin. But Stellar Lumens for sure, because yeah, we were closing above this daily level of resistance, and this was particularly looking good here, particularly looking well as well. I mean, finally closing above this level, definitely looking to break this this downtrend and of course move higher. So yeah, pretty unfortunate what we were seeing. But guys, in the bigger picture, what can we currently see, and what is still looking good for Stellar Lumens? So the previous thing that we were not seeing, of course, is that we were holding on to this gray box of support. And right now, yes, guys, we're still holding on to this gray box of support. So this is, of course, a very important level that you do want to be looking at. And I definitely still feel very excited about this gray box of support. So yeah, I do definitely think it's looking particularly good here, and I definitely think that we can be seeing a very nice bounce getting created from off this level. So I can't wait to see what we're going to do here. So hopefully we can be seeing a move to the upside getting created. Hopefully we can see some more volts we can create as well here. But definitely for me, there's no reason to panic here. No reason to panic for Stellar Lumens. And I think right now on the level that you're currently trading on, you're also getting a very good buying opportunity. So yes, the downtrend on the RSI is still going here, but yeah, I mean, it was already showing its strength here before Bitcoin correcting, and it was pretty unfortunate because once Stellar Lumens was breaking through the all-time high previously, it was also Bitcoin what was pushing down the price of Stellar Lumens once again. So Stellar Lumens not really decoupling from Bitcoin, still following Bitcoin quite a lot here, and you can see the correction was very significant, of approximately 26%. So it's a pretty nasty correction, but of course it is still in an uptrend, still setting higher highs, still setting higher lows as well. It's not necessarily looking bad at all here. So Naham, you're saying currently, look at the head and shoulders on daily candles. We have already discussed that one earlier in the stream. But let me see. I see a lot of KuCoin requests here. KuCoin requests coming in here. People are saying Ethereum going lower. Guys, that is because Bitcoin is going lower currently. So yeah, of course, KuCoin is also a coin that has been rising very quickly recently. And I do think, yeah, it's of course a very exciting asset. And I think it's also going to give us very good returns as well in the future. So what are we seeing with KuCoin? Is it going to give us very good returns? Yes, definitely. It will be definitely giving us very good returns. And the reason why is because, yeah, we're forming a very beautiful symmetrical triangle right now. We are definitely in an uptrend. I like tokens from exchanges, like you guys already know on the channel. And KuCoin, of course, forming the symmetrical triangle. We're definitely going to see a breakout towards the upside. We're definitely going to see a breakout towards the upside, not towards the downside. No, we're going to absolutely going to blast off towards the upside, in my opinion. Can't wait to see what we're going to do. Definitely feel very excited about it. No reason for me to absolutely panic over here. I feel very excited about it, and I just can't wait to see what we're going to do, guys. Of course, we're going to create huge volatility towards the upside, in my opinion. And of course, the breakout target will be insane. And I think, yeah, KuCoin is definitely a coin that you should be buying. I mean, I'm also exposed to KuCoin. I think it's a very good asset. I mean, I've been already exposed for quite a long time here. but definitely an exciting asset, of course, that you can be looking at as well. 23.48 US dollars. Definitely in the level that you can be buying. Besides that, it's also coming together with the 0.5 Fibonacci level that you're currently getting a bounce from, the 10 US dollars, of course, $10.80 here. So yeah, multiple things coming together. Looks very exciting. Looks not bad at all, in my opinion. Looks very healthy. And I just can't wait to see what we're going to do here. Yeah, very exciting days ahead of us. And I think, yeah, we can be moving pretty significantly towards the upside anytime soon here. So, 0.85. sorry, people are saying at 0.85 you sound normal. Guys, I will be trying to slow down a little bit more. I will be, of course, guys, I'm trying to slow down here. I'm trying to still work on it, guys. We started here the 3rd of January 2021. We're starting the channel off here, guys. By the way, we already have 2 million views here on the channel. That's absolutely insane. So of course, guys, we're still very small here, starting off, of course. But definitely there will be a very exciting days ahead of us. So of course, can't wait to see what we're going to do, guys. As well here, only 8 likes away before reaching the 600 likes. Will be amazing if we can reach it. But besides that, guys. Unfortunately, I will be wrapping up the stream right now because I will be going towards a trip in the desert. I will be going towards the desert right now. I will be getting picked up here in 20 minutes, so I have to prepare myself real quickly. Guys, if you want to be seeing what I'm going to do today, it would be amazing if you're following me on Instagram. I mean, personal stuff, of course, you can be following me here at CryptoRoverYT on Instagram. It would be amazing if you're doing so. And big shout out to the one who just recently hit that follow button. It would be amazing if you're doing so. Elliot is just currently following me right now, so it would be amazing if you go to my Instagram at CryptoRoverYT. Make sure to hit that follow button because, guys, also only 11 more followers to reach the 3,800 followers. Would be amazing if you can reach it today. I mean, definitely will be very cool if you want to be engaging with me as well a little bit here. So yeah, of course, doing some posts as well about it. So it will be amazing if you're going to check it. Guys, I mean, I'm going to enjoy my day today. Hopefully you guys are going to do it as well here. And like I told you earlier as well in the stream here, make sure to right now go to the channel. Make sure to ring that bell notification. If you're right now setting up the bell notification, you're not going to miss out about future videos, because later today, of course, I will be keeping you guys up to date about the Bitcoin price, because yes, Bitcoin is currently going a little bit lower, and like we were telling you guys earlier as well in the stream, guys. Like we were telling you earlier as well in the stream, I will be looking for a reversal towards the downside. See a bullish divergence getting formed, and this is also a thing that you can just look at for yourself. But then I will be opening a trade, of course, on it. And of course, you can be already signing up with Femex because we're currently getting a $2,000 bonus, biggest deposit bonus in history. But definitely very exciting. And I don't know what's going to be going on here, but definitely very exciting. Definitely a thing that you want to be checking out here. And of course, if I will be not home, because if it's going to happen right now in the coming 3 hours, I can't make a video about it. But of course, if it's going to happen, I don't expect that it's going to happen right now. But if it's going to happen in the coming, in the next 4 hour candle, I will be, of course, making a video about it. But of course, otherwise, I will be still keeping my eyes out on the channel, and then I will be making an update about on my Instagram here. So make sure to check it, guys. Hopefully I can see you guys back later tomorrow in a new stream here, at least. Of course, later tonight I will be still uploading a video. So guys, thank you so much for watching to the stream, and I will be checking you guys later once again in another stream. Goodbye.